嗱，大家好，呢度大多數人都識得我係 Jenny 嘅。咁你會見到個 posting 嗰度咧，我其實就係天使一號啦。咁咁點解會天使一號咧？因為呢個群組咧，Lindsay confirm 做 light worker，我係第一個啦。咁如果呢度唔係 light worker 係新嘅朋友咧，唔緊要嘅，因為我今次咧，我哋呢個天窗係開俾public 啦，即係因為以前我哋嘅群組咧全部都係 internal，淨係 Facebook 啊，所有嘢係 confirm 咗 light worker 先可以入。就係因為而家我哋有一個message 就係，如果我哋 light worker 嘅事咧，就唔係自己嘅事，係全世界嘅事，所以我哋要開一個呢啲叫天窗咧，係開俾全人類。因為以前就算有朋友想介紹啲朋友入嚟啦，或者我哋有啲想搞課程啊，或者諸如此類咧，我哋係唔可以 share 嘅。咁我哋由而家開始咧，希望我哋會開咗一個天窗之後咧，我哋會逐漸喺唔同嘅題材上面咧，就會帶出唔同嘅導師啊，或者唔同嘅課程或者唔同嘅 topic，俾更多人認識咯。其實如果呢度耐咗嘅 light worker 咧，你會見咧呢度資深嘅 light worker 唔會多，因為呢啲 topic 對我哋嚟講係好早之前嘅嘢啦。咁但係因為依次我哋要開呢個天窗咧，因為適逢鬼節啦，咁所以我哋就會專登揾呢個 topic 嚟同大家分享嘅。咁或者有好多 light worker 佢都可能會冇諗過啊，其實係天使同鬼係點樣嘅咧？喺我哋個 terms 會係點嘅咧？嗱，今日咧我請到一個資深嘅導師啦，咁呢個就係 Avia，呢度大家好多人都識佢嘅。咁啊
Hello，
Avia 係Avia，不如我而家交俾你介紹下自己，跟住你講一講，其實你對於鬼呢一樣嘢係點，咁俾大家認識下先，簡單咁介紹。
打個招呼先，應該有一半人識我，一半人唔識我喺呢度。咁我係 Avia 啦，或者我靈性名就叫 Pimi 啦。咁我都係其中一個天使導師嚟嘅。咁我自己教天使大概教咗8年啦。咁都係主要同天使 channeling 之後咧，咁去教一啲嘅天使課程嘅所以多謝阿 Jenny 今次去邀請我過嚟咧，同大家一齊分享下。咁當然我都係其中一個 light worker 啦，係啦。咁我都好開心咧嚟到呢個 group 咧，其實同大家一齊去分享下呢個天使同魔鬼係咪啊？同鬼啦，其實唔一定魔嘅，即係一個鬼嘅一啲唔同嘅故事啊。喺我呢個生涯喺呢個靈性生涯裏邊咧，都有唔同嘅經歷，亦都有啲係我啲學生啊，有啲學生當佢哋叫做打通咗呢個天地線嘅時候咧，咁佢哋都會有一啲嘅相應嘅敏感度啦。咁佢哋咧都會做一啲 healing 嘅，即係一啲嘅療癒咧，係唔係同人做嘅？佢哋係同啲靈體做嘅，咁都係幾好，幾有趣嘅，我會形容，亦都係幾感動。我成日都會用感動去形容嘅，因為呢啲嘅古仔同我哋平時做開咧人嘅 healing 咧係有少少唔一樣。咁其中嘅唔一樣咧，當然我哋未必真係所謂肉眼去見到佢哋啦，又或者係平時無端端唔會見到佢哋，但又無端端會見到佢哋噶嘛，即係突然間佢又嚟，突然間又唔知走咗去邊咁樣，咁所以係喺天使同鬼呢一個嘅 topic 上面咧，都幾有趣啊！我自己有好多唔同嘅經歷咧，關於有時可能譬如去一啲嘅做一啲我哋形容叫做空間嘅調頻啦、淨化空間啦咁有一啲嘅 case 咧，多數都係嚟自就係可能搬新屋啦、搬新寫字樓啦咁我哋咧都會去做一啲嘅空間清理嘅咁去做空間清理嘅時候咧，咁有時我哋都會去 check 下啦，即係所謂嘅 read 下啦。咁呢個空間、呢間屋或者呢個寫字樓，咁有冇一啲舊嘅能量喺度咧？咁我哋都會去做一啲調頻啊、淨化啊咁樣樣。咁喺 check 呢個過程嘅時候咧，我哋都會去 check 到咧，我哋一啲叫做干擾靈體啊，即係一啲靈體。咦，你哋都喺度喎，通常咧大部分嘅人就係好驚啦，係啊，大部分人就係覺得喂，快啲拜四角啦咁樣。咁我哋中國人都係有呢啲嘅習俗噶嘛，咁我唔反對拜四角嘅，我亦都唔反對呢啲任何嘅宗教儀式嘅。其實你只要覺得係安心就 OK 噶啦。咁我哋嘅睇法係咩咧？咁喺我一路連結天使嘅時候啦，或者天使去教導我哋咦點樣去處理嘅時候咧，咁我發覺咦同我哋中式真係好唔同噶喎。咁我諗我細個啊，或者以前我哋中國人嘅信念裏邊都係覺得，喂，快啲趕走佢啦，唔好嘅嘢嚟㗎，或者即係總之即係驅鬼啊、趕鬼啊，總之就趕走佢啦咁樣。無論你用咩方法，就最好唔好喺呢個空間啦咁。咁但係喺我接觸天使嘅時候咧。 天使會教我哋嘅一套嘅療法係啲乜嘢咧，或者一套嘅方式係啲乜嘢咧？就係好多時咧，佢會當然用天使嘅光好溫暖、好有愛嘅狀態，或者好有愛嘅一個能量底下咧，其實咧係會了解一下佢哋嘅喎。咁我初初都會覺得吓，咁了解啲咩啫？咁佢喺度咪走咯咁樣。咁但係咧，我諗天使俾我第一個教導啦，我會形容係教導就係、其實所有靈魂都係平等咯。唔係我哋叻啲，唔係我哋勁啲，亦都唔係我哋交咗幾多萬蚊租，定係買咗幾百萬定幾千萬，就話我係呢度嘅主人。其實我諗喺一個宇宙間，其實所有嘅靈魂都係一個平等嘅對待，唔係我哋勁啲，亦都唔係佢渣啲，亦都唔係我哋叻啲，佢又點樣樣，而係呢個空間裏邊其實冇話邊個有一個所謂嘅擁有權啊。甚至其實講得白啲就係佢分分鐘喺度做主人仲耐過你。你究竟你係咪攞咗幾萬蚊入嚟話租呢度就話係你哋頭咧？咁係究竟邊個霸佔邊個都未知啊咁樣。咁所以喺靈界裏邊啦，我哋形容一個靈界嘅法則裏邊咧，真係平等嘅。咁所以其實唔係話我俾咗幾萬蚊或者俾咗幾多千萬去買呢個地方就等於係你咯。咁而我哋開始學習就係一個。平等啦、謙卑啦，咁喺呢個基礎底下咧，咁我反而咧發現就係、一種尊重，互相尊重。咁喺呢種尊重嘅底下咧，其實就會可能同到佢哋咧一啲嘅叫做靈體啦，我哋會去溝通啦，所謂其實都係一種通靈嘅溝通啦。咁當然你想同佢溝通，即係佢未必想同你溝通噶嘛。咁但係我哋都會了解，咦，點解佢會喺度咧？其實佢喺度唔走，或者佢走唔走咧，一定有佢嘅原因。咁尤其是我哋已經做咗一啲清理啊，做咗一啲能量嘅調頻啊，做咗一啲空間嘅能量清理之後，佢都唔走嘅話咧，即係話佢意識上咧一定係有啲原因，佢一定要喺呢個地方，或者佢好想留喺呢個地方咁。咁至於其實佢點解會留喺呢個地方，真係古仔實在太多啦咁。咁我今日咧分享一個比較特別或者比較感動嘅一個古仔俾大家聽。咁我話説咧有一個嘅朋友咧就住一個林村啦。其實大家都知大埔有個林村啦，咁都係一啲鄉郊，即係咪叫鄉郊咧？即係野外啲啦嚇，呢個地方咁樣，咁啊多啲樹木啊咁嘅一個地方啦。咁其實咧佢住咗喺度咧差唔多10年嘅啦，其實咁佢同佢老公住咗喺度差唔多10年咁樣。咁但係咧佢呢10年裏邊咧，兩公婆都關係唔係幾好啊。其實應該咁講，我覺得佢兩個關係好好嘅，但係咧就唔知點解成日都嗌交啊。然後亦都有好多嘅病啦，無論情緒上面嘅病啦，身體上面嘅病啦，即係 on and off 咧，醫嚟醫去都唔好，或者有時好有時唔好咁樣。咁咧直至到咧差唔多真係10年後啦，咁佢有一次發現咧，佢間屋咧原來係空宅嚟嘅。咁當年咧佢個經紀咧係冇話俾佢知啊。咁亦都當年唔知點解就會租咗呢度啦，咁樣咁就差唔多10年啦，咁樣。咁咧跟住佢即係你哋黐人就係好得意嘅，唔知就由自可，一知道咧就哇好驚好驚好驚啊咁樣咯，咩事啊？我係咪趕走佢啊？咁跟住就嗌咗我去啦咁樣。咁我就其實我都冇乜嘢，其實我就帶咗一副天使卡。同埋其實真係乜都冇帶，咁就好似好用咁樣就走咗過去咁。咁我話唔緊要啦，我幫你睇下先啦。咁睇下咩事啦。咁去到佢屋企，咁當然其實可能我哋嘅敏感度都比較高啦。咁或者係我哋做開療愈啦。咁其實咧，你去到其實都大概都 feel 到㗎啦。咁 feel 到還 feel 到啦。咁可能。因為我哋有呢個教導底下咧，其實我哋就唔係好驚嘅，其實亦都唔係出於驚，咁反而係出於一個了解咩事啦，甚至帶住愛咧去做呢啲嘅 healing 啦咁去到佢嗰度咧，咁就真係去 check 啦，咁亦都去我哋叫連結呢個靈體啦，咁同佢傾偈，咁其實佢唔係淨係一個靈體，佢自己背後都有唔同佢自己嘅祖先啊各樣嘢嘅，咁但係最主要都係佢。咁我就都係做咗少少嘅儀式啊，咁樣樣啦，咁就請佢離開啦，咁就係我頭先所講啦，就係請完佢都唔走喎，咁樣，咁跟住我就坐低咗啦，咁我都攰啊嘛，係咪？咁我就坐低咗，不如我哋傾下偈啦，或者我哋了解一下佢係點。咁其實喺 on and off 咧，我做緊呢個療愈嘅時候啦，或者同緊呢個靈體去做緊嘅時候咧，其實我已經感受到咧，佢係一個好 強烈嘅傷悲嘅一個感覺，好傷悲，好傷悲，好似喊咗十世咁樣嗰種傷悲。咁然後咧係好孤獨嘅一種感覺。咁孤獨咧，其實深刻我都明嘅，因為基本上成日都講孤人野鬼咧。其實喺我個界別或者喺佢哋匿咗喺呢間屋咁耐，可能佢真係一個得佢一個啊咁。咁呢個我都唔難理解，但係嗰個傷悲從何來咧咁？咁跟住就再了解下點解佢係呢間屋啦咁。咁頭先咪講過係凶宅嚟嘅，咁即係話其實咧佢係喺呢間屋死嘅。即坦白啲講，即係講得白啲就係佢喺呢間屋自殺死啦咁。咁佢自殺嘅古仔咧，其實喺網上就已經可以揾到噶啦。咁我就真係攞翻呢個古仔嚟同佢講話，其實啲報道係咪真㗎咁？咁佢就梗係話唔係啦，梗係唔係啦咁樣。類似啲即係都係屋企嘅一啲唔開心嘅事，咁令到佢要自殺啦咁樣。咁佢就用佢嘅版本就講咗好多故仔。其實呢個過程好似我哋做 counseling 咁樣嘅咋，即係你對住一個人咁樣咧去聽下佢屋企裏邊嘅一啲小故事咁樣。即係我覺得少啦，但係對於佢嚟講好大件事啦咁。咁佢一路講咧，其實你就 feel 到咧，佢開始釋放佢嘅憤怒同埋佢嘅傷悲同埋佢嘅孤獨感。咁佢一路講嘅時候，咁我就喺度聽啦，成日純粹做一個樹窿咁喺度聽啦，咁跟住咧，我個 client 咧就喺側邊，你喺度做乜啊？咁我你唔好嚟，咁總之你俾杯水我要啲時間聽咁樣。咁我個 client 當然唔知聽唔到啦咁。咁佢喺度講，咁佢講緊當然佢屋企嘅一啲事件啦。咁呢度唔多講，但係講到最後嘅時候咧，咁我就話咁我都有同佢講啊，安慰下佢，咁你都要放低啊，放下咁樣，咪你走啊咁樣。咁跟住佢話有一句説話，佢話其實咧佢唔想走。咁係啦，我問佢點解你唔想走啊？佢話佢見到咧呢兩公婆咧好恩愛，佢好羨慕。跟住我話即意思就我 client 啦，同佢老公啦好恩愛啦，跟住佢好羨慕。佢話呢一種嘅幸福感係佢好想感受，好想去。其實對於佢嚟講係一個療愈嚟嘅，或者係一個療傷嚟嘅咁。咁我話咁，但係你有時又搞到佢兩公婆嗌交喎咁。咁係啊嘛，咁即係類似就係啲妒忌啦。咁係啊嘛，咁我同我老公唔好，咁我都唔要佢哋好咁樣，咁咪有時搞下佢哋，等佢哋嗌下交咯咁。但係佢哋好得意嘅喎，嗌完交佢哋又錫翻個老婆嘅喎，又氹翻佢嘅喎。即係話其實佢咧係好想透過呢個嘅家庭呢兩公婆嘅恩愛咧，去療愈佢自己，或者去感受愛係啲乜嘅嘢。咁就係如是者咧，咁樣其實就坐咗喺度10年咯。咁當然其實咧好得意嘅，靈界咧係冇時間嘅。其實佢唔知自己坐咗喺度10年噶啦咁。咁但係佢就知道喺呢個家庭裏邊咧，俾到一啲好有愛、好有溫馨兩公婆兩小無猜喺間屋裏邊鬧下啲日常好瑣碎事嘅交咁樣。咁對於佢嚟講咧，佢就覺得其實係一個療愈嚟嘅。咁跟住之後咧，咁我就問天使啦，亦都請天使一齊同佢去傾偈啦，所謂嘅。咁其實天使咧都俾咗一啲嘅指引，或者俾咗一啲嘅説話佢。咁我聽到咧，天使同佢講嘅意思咧就係、其實咧呢兩公婆啦，即係其實都已經做咗你呢個鏡咁耐啦。咁即係雖然係10年，佢唔知咩叫10年啦，都做咗咁耐啦。其實你想唔想報答翻佢哋，或者你想唔想都送翻份禮物俾佢哋啊？咁跟住我個靈體竟然係。佢話都好啊，咁其實都係嘅，我都想多謝佢哋。即係其實你見到個靈體咧，佢唔係完全憤怒於或者點樣樣嘅，佢都好正常同我哋啊，其實好似幫咗佢好多，跟住佢就想去俾翻個愛佢哋咁。咁啊，天使話其實咧對於佢哋呢兩公婆最大嘅祝福係咩咧？就係當你離開咗嘅時候，其實就係送一個光俾你走，等你去下一世又好啦，或者你再即係所謂嘅輪迴啦，我哋中國人就叫輪迴啦嘅時候，你可以真係學懂點樣去再 create 你嘅幸福咯。咁你都可以喺你生命嘅下一個篇章裏邊揾到一個愛你嘅人咯。而喺當中，其實佢哋都會見到個女性啦，即係我個客人啦。其實喺同老公嘅關係裏邊，佢都會見到點樣愛自己啊，愛對方啊咁。其實喺呢度你已經見證咗咁多嘅時候，其實你自己都可以活翻出嚟嘅喎。咁但係你要活翻出嚟，即係話你要轉世啦，係咪？你要做翻人啦咁。其實我覺得天使都幾得意嘅，好懂人類嘅，佢都有少少氹下佢咁，你快啲走啦咁樣。咁咧跟住之後同你傾到大概呢個時間嘅時候咧，就真係同佢做一個 healing。咁我就 同呢個靈體啦，所謂嘅呢個靈體同埋我嘅呢個女事主嘅 client 咧，其實就好似用一個能量嘅方式咧，去好似互送一份禮物俾對方。意思係咩咧？就係其實我祝福你，你嘅下一世都會好似我同我老公咁樣咧，揾到呢份嘅恩愛。而我個靈體亦都送一個嘅光啦，或者送一個愛啦，咁或者一個能量啦。其實好似一個擁抱咁樣，多謝佢呢10年嚟俾咗呢啲嘅景象，俾咗呢啲嘅畫面俾佢去感受翻，其實人間嘅愛或者夫妻啦、婚姻嘅愛係點樣樣啦咁。咁所以呢一個咧都係。其實有時做呢啲 case 咧都幾感動㗎，即係到最後係咩咧？到最後天使就係、通常係做呢啲 case 都係嘅。到最後咧，天使都會送一條彩虹嘅光，好似一條彩虹橋咁，或者一條彩虹光嘅隧道咁樣，咁就送翻佢哋走啦咁。咁佢哋就真係會走噶啦，咁就離開咗啦咁。咁其實咧，聽呢個古仔咧，即係對於我嚟講唔係一個古仔啦，即係我親身地去見證呢件事嘅時候咧，咁其實到最後呢兩公婆都幾得意嘅，即係之後當然佢哋有佢哋自己兩公婆嘅課題啊，佢哋再學點樣去愛對方啦，但係其實佢哋都會見到呢一個嘅 case 啦，或者呢個所謂嘅靈體亡靈佢嘅過去生嘅故事嘅時候，都係好多嘅啟發咯。咁所以我又覺得啊，其實咧有時做呢啲嘅 case 啊，或者見到呢啲所謂我哋成日都話啊鬼啊鬼啊咁喺你屋企係咪好驚咧？其實佢哋都總有原因會喺呢度。咁但係當然我哋都有一個好有愛嘅方法咧，送佢哋走咯。係啊，大家聽完你哋有咩感覺啊？我自己親身做嘅時候，當下咧都其實我有喊㗎。我當日我自己即係我好感動㗎，其實係。跟住我個 client 都即係都攬住佢老公喊咁樣，即係一種好有愛啦、好感動嘅一啲 case 嚟嘅。
我
啊
我有
，Avy，我我又想問下 Avy 係點啊？
好，你問。
我聽到好感動先啊，首先，
係啊，
我想問咧，你點樣去定義咧？你剛才講呢個係個靈體啊，咁你點樣定義個鬼嗰個嘅嗰樣嘢咧？即係其實係咪就係靈體咧？即係以你嗰個概念嚟講，
我哋就冇好複雜嘅，好簡單。其實佢係一
啊，
個已經過去世咗，而未轉世，可能佢迷失咗啦，又或者即係所謂叫塞住咗啦、棘住咗啦，係呢個空間嘅靈體咯。係
咁
啊，
算係鬼，即係其實中國人叫嗰個
係係。
定義叫鬼啫，其
其實
實係一
中國人咧就
樣嚇。
叫鬼咯，係啊。我哋中國人簡單啲叫鬼啊，咁鬼上身啊，咁但係蘇花，我記得呢個 case 咧都冇話真係上唔上身嘅，只不過大家喺屋企有時會真係搞下鬼咯。我見佢
嗯，
哋都有講嘅，有時咧兩公婆有啲誤會咧，即係你以為佢未閂窗，點知佢閂咗窗咁，我啲又喺度嗌
係。
交嗰啲咧，其實都幾搞笑嘅，係。
哇，聽起上嚟一啲都唔驚啊，唔恐懼咁
唉，
樣，同埋好
唔恐怖
warm，係好
㗎，
多 love 喺度咯。即係我覺
係啊，
得係，即係
係啊，
即係靈魂不滅咧，真係真㗎。離開咗身體之後，一樣係佢繼續喺度生存緊，喺度選擇緊，喺度體驗緊咯。真係好正，thank you。
係。當然佢
係，
哋都應該有佢哋嘅路要走嘅，咁但係
嗯，
佢咁樣棘住咗，其實都唔係一個健康嘅狀態嚟嘅。其實
係啊，
都應該要送翻佢去靈界，送翻佢要去嘅地方，
你幫助好大啊。
送佢拜拜咁樣。
但係據
大家
我了解咧，其實據
嗯
我了解，當然啦，Avia 好勁啦，係嘛？即係知道佢同佢睇。據我所知就係其實靈體咧，好似頭先佢講係啱嘅，佢冇時間空間，其實佢哋只係喺嗰一剎那，喺佢死亡時刻嗰一剎那就鎖住咗。
係係
即係
係
無論嗰個 time 個時間好似 freeze 咗，咁
係，
其實我哋話，如果譬如有做好多有啲 healings 或者有啲咩，其實佢哋只係 stuck 咗喺嗰個情
嗯
緒嗰度啊。
嗯，冇錯，
其實佢已經忘失咗個空間各樣嘢，唔知，但係佢只係朝住呢個情緒。所以頭先你嗰個係有血有汗，佢話啊，我見到佢哋咁恩愛咧，調翻轉我喺度享受佢哋嘅恩愛，因為我又覺得佢都好似又幾有人性化。
佢應該係塞住咗一個位。其實佢唔係，我懷疑其實佢自己都唔當自己死咗㗎。有時我覺得佢哋係冇呢個係咯，即係好似唔係好知咩叫死定點樣樣。佢覺得呢度仲係佢屋企嚟㗎嘛。
係
因為我就聽好多嗰啲即係阿潘聰啊嗰啲，我都聽好多古靈精怪嘅，即係呢啲。咁我據我所知就好似你話齋，即係有時人咧，當佢在生嘅時候，因為嗰個神識，我形容為神識咧，即係個 consciousness 啦，個意識。其實因為有時太快啊，特別係交通或者意外裏邊嗰個死亡咧，佢哋太快，基本上佢真係好似頭先你講嗰個啱啦，佢唔知自己死咗。
嗯
佢仲鎖喺嗰個剎那間，咁我就譬如靈體呢個定義，我就稱佢為我唔叫佢鬼啦，即係台灣人叫佢好兄弟啦，係咪？咁我就稱呢啲其實係一個意識嘅存在，或者一個即係一個靈體咯。其實佢係咪咁？其實你嗰個頭先嗰個幾感動，同埋嗰個好溫和啊！你頭先嗰個好 mild 啊，嗰隻嗰個傳友咧，其實佢好 mild。如果據我所知，譬如有一啲你嗰個係地基主嘅，如果我哋中國人稱之為，因為佢耐過佢啊嘛。我唔知其他朋友有冇啲屋企有時都會唔見嘢啊！我哋最興講啊，有時啲嘢會整鬼佢唔鬼見咗喎，咁突然間又耐唔耐又出翻嚟啦，咁都會有呢啲嘅靈體嘅存在咯。
係，
唉，講完啦，留翻啲俾。
嗯
唉，好多謝你哋。唔係大家，我覺得真係俾啲人講下、發問下先。其實你覺唔覺得頭先 Avia 講嘅嘢咧，基本上你哋唔使咁驚鬼故事嘅嘢咯。
係咪
講得
俾啲戲、俾啲電影嚇親啊嘛？
係啊，我覺得其實有冇人知道咧？基本上我嗱，如果以我成日都係咁樣 claim 噶啦，即係我係一個 frequency 嘅人啦。以我嚟講咧，即係其實好多嘢都係一個 belief system 啦。咁首先 frequency 即係話，譬如好似 Avia 頭先講嘅嘢，就係講真嗰句，嗰個人佢 sense 到嗰樣嘢嘅時候咧，佢一定去到某一個 frequency wave 咧，佢先至會收到某一啲嘅信號啦，或者有一啲嘅演繹，佢會知係某一個場景，佢唔會係24小時都聽到，佢某一個 tuning 咧，嗰個佢先至會聽到。咁跟住 Avia 佢個角色係個 mediumship 嘅時候咧，佢直情完全知道成個版本，咁佢就去翻嗰個頻率嘅時候咧，佢會知道個 background。咁跟住點解有啲人會覺得啊？點解我會聽到嘅咧？咁可能有一啲嘅聲音，其實喺佢個 frequency 裏面，或者有啲 memory，佢係好想俾嗰個人即係 contact 到。其實佢都等咗，等於頭先佢哋話冇 timeline 啦，但係其實佢哋會 feel 到唔同嘅 frequency，佢哋可以 reach 到。咁只係想話俾你聽，其實有好多嘢係關於頻率啦，同埋空間嗰方面咧，去取決於我哋認為撞鬼嘅部分嘅。咁如果咁樣去聽咧，就比較科學化啲咯。咁我唔知你哋去到呢度會唔會覺得好深，或者會唔會有啲咩問題想問啊？有冇人想發問啊？或者你哋可以講一講你哋認為以前覺得啊，我真係好驚㗎，我撞過啲乜嘢？如果你哋可以分享下咧，咁我哋又可以聽一聽啦。
我分享下我有一個經歷啦。
嗯，
咁我唔知道你哋有冇聽過啲靈體咧，去附喺一啲動物身上啊，咁係出現你嘅屋企咁樣嘅。咁就係話說咧，就係前幾個月啦。咁我睇下先，對上次再上次嘅風球都幾大下啊嘛，嗰個風球。咁其實嗰個風球嘅前一日咧。前一晚咧，我有個朋友就邀請我哋幾個姊妹去佢男朋友，因為佢識啱啱有個即係交咗個新男朋友。咁嗰個男朋友咧，個男人咧就即係都有啲地位嘅，身份地位嘅。咁都有啲錢嘅。咁咧但係咧佢嘅太太咧就已經過咗就有4年啦，過咗身4年。咁過咗身4年咧，嗰個男人就一直都放唔低佢太太嘅。咁但係佢身邊啲朋友啊、親人啊，包括佢太太嗰啲親人啊，即嗰啲直接嘅嗰啲兄弟姊妹咧， 都好想呢個男人咧揾到即係揾到一個另一半啦，咁啊可以照顧下佢啦咁。因為個男人係即係都算係成功人士，咁啊工作都好忙啊，咁啊身體身體暫時就冇問題，但係都擔心佢會因為忙啊，咁啊搞到身體唔好，咁啊有個人照顧會好啲嘅。咁即係有咁緣分咧，就介紹咗俾我個朋友。咁我個朋友咧就即係同佢都拍拖拍咗年幾噶啦，咁關係都越嚟越好嘅。咁但係都好明顯嗰個男人就成日都同佢講話忘記唔到自己以前嘅太太啊，咁樣成日講親咩就講太太咁啊。咁個男士咧，咁屋企都即係住 house 啦。咁有2個工人啊，咁嗰個男士嗰個男士好中意煮嘢食嘅，咁成日都請啲朋友去即係去佢屋企食飯嘅。咁嗰日佢又請咗我哋幾個即係相處咗好耐嘅姊妹咁樣，4姊妹就加埋佢哋，即係有啲其他嘅朋友啦，就一齊去佢屋企食飯。咁其實嗰日好多人嘅，10幾個人坐喺嗰度。咁嗰晚咧就打風打得好，即係其實又落橫風橫雨嘅。咁我哋喺度又唱歌啦，又玩遊戲，即係好開心喺度食緊嘢啦，啲嘢又好食啦，喺度讚緊啊嗰啲咁。咁突然間咧我就聽到我背後，因為我係坐喺一個落地窗嘅前面嘅，咁後邊係嗰啲花園嚟嘅，係佢屋企嘅花園咁啊。但係出邊係打晒風，即係橫風橫雨咁樣嘅。咁我就聽到啪咁嘅聲音，跟住咧就嚇我朋友就啱啱坐喺我對面，咁佢坐喺我對面，佢啱啱個面就睇到個窗啊嘛，嗰個出邊嘅。佢話哇，好大隻蝴蝶啊！咁我哋個個都話哇，橫風橫雨邊度嚟個蝴蝶咧？咁我就轉頭就回頭睇，一睇咧就係一隻好大嘅鵝啊！即係嗰隻鵝咧，好似2個手掌咁大嘅個翅膀，咁就喺度拍喺度拍個玻璃窗。咁我哋哇個個都好驚奇，點解咁即係咁大雨咁即係橫風橫雨，點解出邊會有一隻鵝喺度拍？跟住即係好似好想入嚟咁樣咁，係咁大力咁樣拍得好響嗰個窗。咁我哋就話哇好靚嘅鵝啊，咁樣就喺度講。跟住有個女仔就行過去，就想捉嗰個鵝定係點啊？跟住嗰個鵝就飛走咗。跟住咧，我哋就即係其實心入邊都唔知點解覺得好奇怪咯咁啊。咁係翻去嘅路上咧，咁我哋坐我朋友架車，咁啊我呢位朋友個姊妹就話，其實咧佢嘅男朋友係將佢太太嘅骨灰咧係擺喺樓上嘅衣櫃入邊，擺咗4年，佢都唔肯放佢走。咁我朋友就話，哇！我另外個姊妹就話，哇！有冇搞錯啊？咩人去咗就係入土為安啦？咁你係咪應該即係唔好咁自私？應該俾佢係揾個好嘅地方俾佢安定咁樣嘅。跟住佢話佢即係佢唔放手啊，佢放唔低啊。佢擺喺個衣櫃入邊，然後每一日朝頭早又喺間房度咧，又沉默，即係同佢好似傾偈咁樣，又沉默唔知幾50分鐘啊，唔係半個鐘頭啊，咁啊先至走啊嗰啲咁嘅。咁所以我同我朋友就話：哇，你早講啊！你咁樣，我哋唔去你屋企，就咁得人驚。咁但係我哋都一直咁講話，佢真係最好就即係如果佢想發展第2段關係咧，佢真係要讓佢放手佢太太啦咁樣。咁同埋我哋都勸佢，就算2個真係以後有結果啦，咁都唔好即係勸我朋友唔好住呢層樓，唔好入住呢層樓，叫佢喺出邊買一層樓嘅，佢喺出邊係啊住嘅深嘅地方，即係咩咯？係啊，咁係咯，就係呢樣嘢咯，我就想分享下呢樣嘢。即係我係相信有呢個，即係靈體會附喺一啲動物咧，去嚟睇個主人啦，或者睇即係掛住嘅嘢啊，或者佢翻轉頭嚟。但係諗唔到咁多年啦，佢都仲喺度咯。咁啊，真係唔知係咪有關係？你個骨灰真係唔入土為安咧，佢真係唔得，走唔到咯。係就呢樣嘢。完。
Moon 啊，毛管動啊，
好多謝阿
毛
Moon
管動。
分享，呢個幾特別喎，真係有動物嘅嘢係嘛，真係唔係人。但係其實大家係咪覺得其實係唔驚嘅？我諗阿 Moon 你其實都唔驚㗎，你去到有時你都幾 sensitive 㗎，你驚唔驚？
我其實唔驚嘅，因為其實我同佢又無冤無仇，係咪先啦？同埋我都係即係點講啊？我對靈體呢方面咧，其實我屋企你都知咯，我屋企都有㗎啦，咁啊，仲係好多添啊！
呢個好笑啊！
但係我係好得意嘅，我係好尊重我內心，其實我就覺得我唔惹你我唔搞你，你唔好搞，你都唔會搞我啦，係嘛？我又冇做任何嘢對唔住你嘅事情，即係我冇做任何問心無愧嘅事情，咁所以咧我又唔驚呢啲喎。我即係我其實樓上樓下都係有嘅，咁但係其實我呢度咧，我經常都有聽到聲音嘅，咁我都有同佢講，你唔好搞我啦，我而家係專注做緊嘢咁。即係我會同佢傾偈，咁但係好快就冇聲音。但係我又聽唔到，我睇唔到任何嘢啦。咁但係我有感受到，我感受到有嘢嘅，有嘅。特別係其實嗰日我去佢屋企，因為佢話佢從來佢男朋友唔俾所有人，連我呢個朋友，連我呢個姊妹都唔俾佢上樓嘅，唔俾佢上2樓嘅。咁之前佢又覺得好奇怪，所以我尾知道呢件事情咧，佢話你俾我去，你俾我上我都唔想上嘅。咁但係其實我嗰日去佢屋企嗰陣時咧，我都有睇到佢樓上咧，我係心入邊有一種異樣，即係有啲奇怪嘅感覺嘅。咁但係對於即係嗰陣時冇留意啦。咁但係事後知道，事後諸葛亮咁講咧，咁事後知道我都係啦，其實有感覺嘅，有感係咯。
嗱，其實點解我問阿 Moon 其實唔驚咧？因為首先佢本身都係 light worker 啦，天使級數啦，基本上你自己即係都係一啲光啦。咁你嘅光咧，基本上如果真係一啲嘅能量低嘅 energy 咧，基本上佢都唔會埋到你身。咁但係咧，你有呢個 sense 嘅時候咧，其實我想嘗試答下，希望你覺得你哋覺得感覺良好咯。因為呢個唔係一個鬼故事嘅，只係又係 matter of frequency。咁佢個頻率咧，基本上動物，即係譬如我哋都知啦，嗰個人都未到，唔知點解已經沸定先啦。打風落雨或者什麼海嘯，你發覺所有嘅魚啊動物，全部都一定會俾我哋問嘅。咁喺個能量場上面咧，基本上如果有一啲嘅信息啦，一定係喺動物啦或者昆蟲啦，例如你講嘅蝴蝶啦，其實裡面會有一啲嘅信息咯。咁反而咧，佢哋唔係嚟搞事嘅。信息話明係一個信息咧，其實佢哋係想有啲嘢想講啦，或者想傳達。咁可能呢一啲嘢咧就係、譬如啦，Emery 到啦，我哋一陣間要俾 Emery 講嘢，然後我哋一陣間可以 Emery 問完問題或者講完之後咧，你繼續想分享可以繼續留喺度嘅。Hi Emery。
Hi。
嗱，呢度大多數人都識 Emery 噶啦，因為係我哋嘅 Master Healer 啦。咁尤其是譬如阿 Moon 啦，Emery 嚟香港嘅時候咧，都已經去過佢屋企咧，做咗好多嘢噶啦。因為即係可以少少咁透露阿 Moon 住嘅地方咧，佢一去到咧，Emery 就問：哇，呢度咧究竟係咩地方嚟噶？點解咁多 energy 嘅？嗰啲 energy 係低少少嘅 energy 啊？咁阿 Moon 你介唔介意講你嗰個 location 喺邊啊？即係你個地方
係跑馬地嚟嘅。
你大家知唔知跑馬地咧有個墳場啦？咁即係以前係
好多墳
啲咩啦？
場啊，好多墳場，
係啊
周圍都係墳場，係好多宗教嘅墳場，即係
Yeah，
包括印度啦，
係，
係啊，
總之乜都係
天主
啦。
教，係啊。
咁我因為 Emery 嗰次有機會嚟香港咧，咁就去咗做一個我哋叫 space healing 啦。咁阿 Moon 就邀請咗 Emery 去佢個地方。佢一上到去第一問：呢度以前係咩嚟㗎？點解咁多嘢嘅？佢係已經咧去咗唔同嘅維度啦，收發緊唔同嘅嘢。咁所以其實係幾有趣。咁我就咁樣去介紹 Emery 嚟啦。Emery talking about last time you visit Hong Kong and drop by Moon's place, and we talk about you can sense what is the location, and you keep on checking what exactly it is, something like that. Okay, maybe I ask whether they have question about ghosts or anything first. OK，而家大家嗱，而家 Anne-Marie 喺度啦，相信呢度大多數人都識得 Anne-Marie，我哋嘅 Master Healer。咁如果咧，你哋會唔會有啲咧好聽過一啲好難搞嘅 case，或者都幾恐怖或者幾驚嘅嘢，你哋搞唔掂咧？即係其實 Anne-Marie 度咧，應該冇嘢係搞唔掂。最好我都想知有咩佢搞唔掂，你哋大家可以分享一下，或者舉手問一問，好抵嘅，知唔知？如果你請佢咧，一定係好貴。如果呢次可以拆得掂，掂啊！有冇問題？大家有冇聽過啲乜嘢，或者你哋想問？唔使一定好深嘅，唔使好高深嘅，或者我哋以前見嗰啲牛鬼蛇神咧，比較中國少少啦。會唔會咧？你哋會想知道嘅嘢咧，係比較再高層少少，即係譬如係我哋所講嘅多維度啦，或者比較外國少少。咁趁呢個機會，你哋可以大家發問一下。Cam
Yeah, maybe regarding for the moon's the case of moon, I would like to ask something, because something like if someone some relative or some loved one passes by, right, pass away, if someone really miss it and they keep their ashtray at home, how does it affect the families? I mean, the one who live in this house, will it affecting them, or no, it just something, it just something, nothing will affect the families.
You want to say that
You
in
get my
Cantonese before I
question?
answer?
Yeah. 咁我就問，即係就住阿 Moon 嗰個朋友嗰個問題啦。咁我就問，咁我如果譬如有啲真係所愛嘅人嚇，佢哋離世咗啦，咁佢哋將啲骨灰咧擺喺屋企，咁其實喺個能量層面嗱，我哋因為今日講能量啊，係咪？喺個能量層面裏邊，其實又會唔會影響所住嘅屋企人咧？咁樣，Yep.
Can affect a person because their ceremony hasn't been done properly. Okay, because the funeral ceremony in any religion releases the energy of the person from any physical part of themselves left behind. Okay, if it
Yeah.
hasn't been done properly, then they could still be held with even an object that they've been given if they haven't had the proper ceremony done.
大家澳門其實即係話咧，佢話如果嗰個亡者佢冇合適嘅儀式去做嘅話咧，咁佢嗰個骨灰即係佢仲未走，咁佢就會影響到屋企人，因為冇恰當嘅proper 嘅 ceremony，即係冇恰當嘅儀式或者 ritual 去做，咁就會影響到屋企人。
Okay. Sometimes it's because the person is fearful of what's going to happen next to them, so they remain around the family and they use the ashes as an anchor point so that they don't leave. They just keep wandering around the family or wandering around because they're frightened of what they have to face when they move into the spirit world. Does that make sense?
亡者咧，佢好驚，點解佢會 anchor 咗錨定咗喺嗰個骨灰度咧？係因為佢驚唔知將會發生啲咩事啊！即係佢唔知佢走咗之後，佢將會要去邊，或者發生咗啲咩事，於是佢就錨定咗喺嗰個骨灰嗰度啦，佢嘅能量。
Yes. And then the third reason that can happen is that the family don't want to let them go. That the family is holding that person with them, okay? So that the person can't go into the afterlife, even though they've done the ceremony and everything. There's a member of the family or the family themselves are holding that person with the ashes or in the home, so they can't move on. So again, it's that getting the family to let them go. At all these different stages is moving the person on so that, you know, whether it's through the ceremony, whether it's releasing them from their fear of moving on to the afterlife, or getting the family to release them. it's all about being held for some reason.
係咁簡單啲講，阿滿即係譬如其他嘅朋友，其實第三點就係 Emery 講嗱，除咗頭先佢講啦，就係冇 puppet 嘅儀式去做啦，或者係祭祀冇去做啦，咁跟住就係另外就係嗰個亡者佢滯留喺個骨灰度，以驚佢要去面對來生，佢唔知點樣啦，即係佢唔知如果我唔喺呢度依存啦，我唔知我會點啦。第三個就係屋企人 hold 住啦。即係屋企人嘅思念，將佢滯留咗喺呢個空間，唔捨得佢走。咁所以咧就話其實係要屋企人裏邊要放過去，或者係俾一個恰當儀式，即係有呢三種嘅機會咧，令到呢啲灰咧就會影響，即係令到呢樣嘢一個亡者會影響咗屋企人，就係咁啦。Yeah， 我呢度
Because
yeah.
because I've had clients who they have a relative who wants to leave, and there's a member of the family who will not let them go, and so we have to separate them. We have to separate them so that that person can leave, because they are holding them. They've caused an energy connection, and they will not let them go. So there's times where, and if people have died horribly in a space, that they won't leave. So you have to create that letting go so that they can move on, and you move them on so that they can then get back into the life and death process and do what they're supposed to be doing.
嗱，我再講多少少啦，Yanny 操咗呢一陣先。咁另外一樣嘢咧，即係話其實老師就講啦，佢都有一個咧，就係個客人咧，就係佢嘅親戚唔放嗰個人走啊，佢就一路 hold 住佢嘅能量，唔俾佢走，即係唔俾佢。本來佢死緊嘅啦，佢唔俾佢死，佢一路 hold 住佢嘅能量。咁於是咧，老師就要將佢哋嘅能量分開，等嗰個亡者可以得以安息，即係可以離去。咁所以呢啲即係亦都係影響緊咯。咁而因為佢話如果佢 hold 住佢，即係話佢一路死唔到咧，死唔去嘅時候，佢就唔可以。因為喺老師嗰邊咧，佢哋就有一個我哋學過一個咧，就係有一個死亡嘅生死程序，佢要去進入嘅。咁但係因為呢一個嘅依存同埋唔捨得咧，就令到嗰個人唔死得。咁亦都係因為家人嘅留戀，家人嘅不捨咯。Yes。
係我嘅老爺啦，咁佢咧就喺我應該話我當其時都未識佢嘅，咁啊佢就過咗身啦。咁佢過身之前咧，佢就吩咐咗佢嘅屋企人咧，就話我唔想咁煩啦，你就將我咧化咗骨灰之後咧，就倒落海就得噶啦，就嗰啲咩綠色殯葬啦。咁樣咧，佢咧就將個少少骨灰咧。就擺咗落一個瓷盒度，即係一個瓷叫做ceramic 嘅盒嗰度啦。咁咧就封密佢就擺咗喺屋企。咁咧佢咧就係亦都係好似好不捨咁樣啦。咁其實我哋都唔知佢仲有嗰少少骨灰嘅。咁喺前陣子即係幾年前咧，咁我哋都有問有一個叫做即係好似能夠 connect 到個universe 嘅一個 master 啦。咁咧就講開話咧，其實你爸爸即係佢我老公問開唔知我爸爸而家點嘅時候咧，佢就話你爸爸咧個人咧係好唔開心，就同埋好唔安息。咁收尾就講翻咧，原來咧得知佢嗰啲骨灰係抌咗落海啦。咁抌咗落海咧，佢話佢好唔安息啊。咁我就嗰個 master 就話哇你知唔知抌落海係最衰㗎？我哋啲骨灰係應該入土為安㗎嘛，咁樣。咁我哋話咁點算啊？我哋有啲咩可以幫佢做到啊？咁收尾咧，阿老公就話其實佢咧我仲記得佢有少少骨灰咧喺我個阿姨度啊，即係佢個女朋友度啦。睇下佢可唔可以攞出嚟啦？咁佢話嗱，你就算少少骨灰，你都將佢咧好好咁樣擺翻喺一個墓地度啦，令到佢可以安息啦。咁我哋輾轉咧，最後尾咧真係做到呢樣嘢。咁做到呢樣嘢咧，咁咧我哋隔咗我諗2年到啦。咁咧我有一日又問翻 master，master 而家咧我爸爸點樣啊？咁佢就其實嗰個 master 真係唔記得㗎啦，因為每一日佢見咁多人啊嘛。佢就話你爸爸而家好好啊，佢話佢好多謝你喎，好多謝你哋喎。佢而家起碼有地方住啦咁樣。咁 咁我哋覺得哇，真係好神奇喎！真係，即係佢原來真係有笪地方，佢真係咁然間咧，再隔咗1-2年啦，咁係有個孫女咧就講啦，我見到阿爺咧，佢而家咧就嚟咧因為嗰個孫女咧又係有啲即係特別嘅 power 嘅，即係知得望到一啲嘢嘅。我知道阿爺咧就嚟投胎咧成功啦咁樣。即係我覺得成樣嘢咧都好詭異啊！即係你信則有，不信則無咯。但係就係雖然同頭先阿 Moon 講或者阿 Cam 講嗰啲嘢咧，即係有啲唔同啦。但係嗰個邏輯上咧都係咧，即係嗰啲先人佢啲骨灰即係佢哋有一個 proper 嘅安葬，對於成個就係啦，仲講翻個家族啦。咁自從佢爸爸審咗落海之後咧，接2003咧係成嘅家人咧陸續咧嗰啲生活都出現咗一啲問題嘅，可能有啲生意失敗啊，有啲又婚姻唔開心啊，又揾唔到工啊，諸如此類啦。但係收尾我哋做翻呢樣嘢proper 將佢擺翻一個好嘅位置之後咧，啲嘢又好似好翻咯，即係又係信則有，不信則無咁樣咯。係啦，呢個就係我嘅分享。
Same like the case for her case, the story sharing is regarding for someone ashes part of it into the sea, but into the sea it affect the whole families. The business drop, then many things have happens, but because in Chinese culture, suppose the ashes should be on the ground when someone died. The proper way is on the in the ground. Not the sea, not the other things. So he said that it helps by the master and advise them to put the rest ashes, the tiny little rest ashes into the into the ground again and make it proper. And also it has some effect the whole families in the proper way, back to the good way instead of bad thing happens. So that's the story. I just make it short.係咪咁啊？有冇補充啊？Yanni?
And that's the thing, is that if you don't do the proper ritual, that's what happens, you know. And they believe in a place called purgatory, and if the family has not done a mass, which is the ceremony for the person after they die, which is when they had a lot of things for the Pope. I think Pope Francis, when he died, there were a lot of masses being said. Then the person gets stuck in this place called purgatory, where they then need to be purified. And what happens is then they will come and visit. They will be allowed to come and visit and say, I need you to do this mass for me, to help me to move on, because I'm in purgatory. Because their belief system is that if they don't do that, that's where they go. And if they've not, if the family hasn't followed the proper ceremony, that even before they die, they are anointed, as they call it. The priest comes in and he does a special ceremony of putting oil on them so that they are then ready to go on their journey before they die. All this can cause a problem for the person who's moving on. So this is why it's very important, if you have a certain belief system, you complete the rituals that you are following so that that person goes where they're supposed to because of their belief system, not just your belief system, if that makes sense.
係天主教嘅，咁基本上咧，如果喺佢哋嗰個宗教裏邊，就係話，如果譬如嗰個亡者，佢哋係一般都需要一個masses，即係需要一個彌撒嘅。咁如果譬如佢哋離開咗之後，佢哋冇一個恰當嘅彌撒，冇為佢哋進行彌撒嘅咧，咁佢哋嘅靈魂就唔得以安息，佢哋就會翻嚟啦，就會要求佢哋你俾翻個彌撒我咧，因為佢喺佢哋認為，如果唔係嘅話咧，佢哋就喺個煉獄裏邊，咁即係話會受苦啦，係咪？咁所以佢哋就嗰個。簡單啲講就係個神識唔可以好安息咯，咁而佢哋喺佢哋嘅個宗教裏邊，佢哋就需要一個彌撒。咁其實喺呢度牽引嘅就係另外一樣嘢咧，就話其實老師亦都提到最緊要咧就話去翻嗰個尊重翻嗰個亡者或者係嗰個垂死人嗰個 belief system，right？Just respect the dying person's religious，咁
Yeah.
就要尊重翻嗰個亡者嘅宗教，佢哋嘅信仰系統，而唔係在生人嘅信念系統啊。即係唔係生人嘅信念系統，而係嗰個亡者或者將死之人佢哋嘅信念系統去切合佢哋去做嘅一啲宗教儀式係非常之重要咯。So I just explain what you have told.
The first thing is that if they have a central ancestral place that they have the most of their ancestors' remains in, they can hold a ceremony there to call in the spirit of all the ancestors who died horribly during that time and do some sort of ceremony for them. Okay, so they can do that because they need to ask, is there a ceremony that can be done for people who've passed horribly? You know, they've died at sea, or they've died in a, you know, they've died in a fire and you can't, they have no body, you know. So you have a word with the priests of the religion, what ceremony can be done for them. Okay. Myself, what I do, because I'm an angelic ancestral healer, and there's at least 4 other people here who do it, we would find the ancestors in that family's line and give them healing. So then they are returned to the family's center so that they are then at peace. Okay.
簡單啲咧，佢嗰兩個方法啦，其他嘅同學都聽咧，有啲上過祖先嘅，因為Anne-Marie 就係教我哋祖先療愈嘅其中即係佢係唯一嘅老師教我哋祖先療愈啦。咁佢話其實如果就 Yanni 嗰個 case 嘅話咧，咁其實佢就話好簡單，以我哋中國人咧，佢有冇祠堂？咁如果佢有祠堂嘅話咧，佢就可以喺嗰個祠堂度，因為個祠堂都係集中咗佢祖先裏邊好多嘅其他祖先，咁就可以喺嗰個祠堂裏邊或者有笪地方裏邊擺佢哋好多嘅先人嘅嗰樣嘢，就可以喺嗰個 public 嘅地方咧，就可以做翻個祭祀咯。咁如果佢冇嘅話咧，就好似老師嗰個就係佢所做嘅嘢咧，佢就會揾翻幫佢做一個 healing，去揾翻missing 咗嗰個，即係喺嗰個祖先宗族裏邊有啲遺失咗、亡失咗或者走失咗嘅祖先，揾翻佢哋嚟，跟住幫佢哋進行療愈咯。咁呢個就係佢俾嘅2個建議啦。
I'm going to do the angel square protection for you, if you want it.
OK， 我哋大家準備 Anne-Marie 而家做一個 Angel Square Protection。Make sure 頭先我哋有任何嘅能量或者什麼咧，咁而家好簡單做一個 closing。OK，
So take a couple of nice deep breaths and close your eyes. And we're going to start by calling in the 4 great archangels to enter our space. We're going to ask them to come in at their seraphim level, which is their highest vibration. So first we call in Archangel Michael, protector of humanity. They'll stand in one corner of your room. Next, we call in Archangel Raphael, the healer, and they will stand in another corner of the room. We'll then call in Archangel Gabriel, messenger, and they'll stand in another corner of the room. Finally, we call in Archangel Uriel, the angel of wisdom and nature, and they stand in the final corner. We ask them to join their wings, and then mix their energies together to fill the space created by them. And see their energy fill the space. And then fill you. clearing your energy and everything around you. And we ask them to remove anything negative, dark, or demonic out of our space. Be dealt with by the spiritual powers that be who serve the light. Never to return to you, those linked to you, or places linked to you all. And they'll deal with them as appropriate to ensure your space is clean and clear. And we ask the divine to fill the cleared space with the divine light of peace, serenity, and healing. And then Archangel Michael will place a suit of armor over you from the top of your head to the tip of your fingers and toes. And then he'll give you a cloak of protection. Take a few deep breaths. Ground yourself and open your eyes. And everybody back, everybody eyes wide open.
嗱，大家冇開 screen 嘅朋友，你哋俾少少 signal，大家已經翻咗嚟喺個 chat 嗰度，或者整一個公仔，咁等我哋知道大家係翻咗嚟，安安全全。幾乖，有人開 screen 啊！Hello Happy。OK，Hammy，Elise，
Okay.
Natalia。OK，it seems everyone OK。What about Iris? OK，Yanni。
And that protection will last for 24 hours, unless you say right now that you'd like it to last for a bit longer.
呢個保護咧就會持續有24小時嘅，因為剛才 Emery 嚟嘅時候咧，咁佢係一個 multi-dimensional healers 啦，咁其實有好多 portal 位開咗，你見佢哋回答你問題嘅時候咧，基本上佢有好多 message 咧都係喺唔同嘅維度收翻嚟，然後再答翻你哋。咁而家已經做咗一個 closing 同埋保護啦 ，just in case。Because in Chinese they feel like haunted or related to ghosts. Can you share what is the interpretation in the angelic room?
Okay. Depending on your belief system, ghosts are either the spirit of the dead who are wandering the earth because they haven't completed something, or they want to talk to you because they have a message to give you, or they want you to help them.
Cam 要麻煩你啊，你隨撒家。
好啊。咁佢話頭先 Jenny 問就係話你可唔可以解釋下從佢嘅一個老師嘅角度點去講佢哋叫 entity 啦，佢哋唔叫 ghost，即係靈體啦咁樣。咁佢話其實三樣嘢，就係有啲嘢佢哋未有個心願未完成，有啲嘢未完成啦，即係生前未完成啦，又或者係佢想留低一啲信息俾你啦，又或者係佢哋需要幫忙，咁所以佢哋就唔可以順道咁去進行下一個步驟啦。Yes.
And there are two beings, if you encounter these spirits, that can help you. One is Archangel Azrael, the angel of death, and the other is Archangel Michael.
咁有兩個傳友可以幫忙啦，一個就係 Azrael 啦，佢就係死亡天使，另外一個就係我哋大名鼎鼎嘅大天使 Michael 啦。
So
Yes.
if you use the angel square and the armor and cloak, then that will reduce what's going on with the spirits.
咁如果譬如你我哋通常就會用個 square，頭先我哋講過四個天使嘅 square 啦，個方圈啦，又或者係我哋會用老師成日教我哋用嘅盔甲啦，咁咯。咁呢啲咧都係或者係袍咧，都係會阻擋呢啲，即係免去我哋會受到佢哋嘅干擾。Yes。
Because you can use that around your home if you want to, not just the room that you're in.
Yeah， 因為用呢啲咧，我哋跟咗老師好耐啦，咁基本上佢用到就好巴閉噶啦。個巴閉嘅意思係即係唔係淨係用喺自己度，我哋可以用喺我哋嘅屋企啦，甚至乎我哋所居住嘅範圍裏邊嘅 district，right？Not only the home, even the district。
Yeah，
我哋嘅
you can do it
區域裏
around
邊都得。
and around your bed, anywhere you need protection. Because angels are through time and space, means they can exist in all time and space. You can put as many levels of the angel square around your home as you want, because they will just go through time and space and they'll create those squares around your home.
即係話好似玩層層疊咁啦，因為佢哋係穿越時空嘅，穿越時間空間，咁所以咧佢哋會層層疊咁去幫你進行一個保護咯嚇。無論你覺得瞓得唔安寧㗎，咁你可以喺你嗰張牀嘅周圍去設置呢個保護層啦。咁如果你覺得你間屋嘅都唔安全，咁你就可以喺間屋嘅大啲嘅範圍喺你個屋嘅周圍啦。咁如果你覺得我連我住嘅嗰個區域我都唔想佢哋揾到我，咁你可以連住嘅區域裏邊咧都做埋 protection， 就係咁，即係佢嗰個 layer 可以好多層。
So you can have one round your bed, one round your bedroom, one round your home, one round the area where you are. Whatever you feel, you can put as many squares around the next level and the next level.
由於時間關係，頭先解釋咗啦。Yes.
And also with Archangel Azrael and Archangel Michael, Archangel Azrael, you can ask them, can you please come and collect this spirit and process it so that it goes where it needs to go.
OK， 咁因為 Azrael 咧，頭先佢講咗佢係死亡天使啦，咁甚至乎我哋可以邀請佢咧去 collect 佢哋稱之為去收咗呢個靈體咧，去帶佢進行死亡，進行嗰個死亡嘅過程。因為其實喺我哋跟隨老師，佢喺嗰個體系裏邊咧，其實每個人嘅生同死咧都佢有一定嘅程序。咁即係話，如果佢死亡咗，佢就應該進入下一個死亡嘅程序。咁我哋就可以叫 ask for Archangel Azrael 咧，就可以叫佢咧去將個亡者接領，然後幫佢去進行下一步嘅程序。Yes.
And Archangel Michael, in some religions, is also an angel of death. So you can ask him either to protect you from those spirits, or you can ask him to remove the spirits and process them.
咁一樣啦。咁因為大天使 Michael 咧，其實佢喺某一啲宗教裏邊咧，其實佢都係死亡天使嚟嘅。咁即係話咧，大家一係咧就可以要求佢為大家進行保護啦，又或者同樣地都係將個靈體移除。
I won't mention the third one because I don't think they're ready for the Egyptian gods.
咁第三個唔講住啦，因為已經去到課程裏邊，我哋會話用到埃及眾神。Yes.
Also with these beings, remember you have the power to send them away. It's only people's fear that stops that. So as long as you go, help Archangel Michael, Archangel Azrael, or even just your guardian angel, can you please send this spirit away so it leaves me alone?
嗱，基本上咧，老師一再提醒咧，其實大家都有嗰個 power， 你有你個力量啦，去移除呢啲靈體或者係請佢哋離開。咁只係個恐懼咧，我哋冇咁去做嘅啫。咁其實我哋可以邀請嗰三位嗰啲天使啦、Michael 啦、Azrael 啦，甚至乎係嘅 Guardian Angel， 咁叫佢哋唔該將佢哋移除，或者係將佢哋帶去合適嘅地方。咁係啦，即係話就不受佢哋嘅影響啦。 Yes.
As Archangel Michael always says, your protection only doesn't work if you believe it doesn't work.
佢話保護幾時唔用咧，即係用唔生效啊！佢意思就話因為你嘅信任唔夠咧，你唔相信，咁佢咪唔生效咯。咁如果大家相信呢樣嘢係你能夠做到嘅咧，咁佢就一定生效咯。
You can have the most powerful, strongest protection, but if you don't believe it'll work, it won't work.
咁其實大天使 Michael 嘅咧係非常之強大、強而有力嘅一個保護嚟嘅。咁但係佢幾時失效咧？就係因為你唔信佢咯，咁佢咪唔生效。
Now, I don't know if have they received the symbol, Ginny?
Not yet. We not yet mention about that. The dragon one?
Yeah, yeah.
我睇下擺先。大家見唔見到呢度
Yeah.
我哋有個 dragon 嘅 symbol？其實咧就係咁嘅。
Okay.
咁如果我哋如果大家喺天窗嗰個群組咧，到時我哋會 send 一條 link 俾你哋，咁大家都可以睇到嘅。哇，好叻啊 Elise Okay, this is dragon symbol.
Okay.
Okay, I would tell them what is it about and how to do it later.
Okay. So very quickly, that symbol is is a protection symbol you can put around your home, and all you have to do is say the words on the card, and then say the intention. I want this around my home, and it'll appear around your home. And what it'll do is, as some of the other people who use it have found, is that it'll protect your home, clear your home, and it'll also affect the weather as well if you need it.
Yes.
基本上頭先嗰個符號咧，就係如果喺呢度嘅天使都好熟噶啦，即係呢度嘅大家都用到好熟噶啦咁。咁佢話其實呢個符號咧，我哋都貼到周屋都係噶啦。咁基本上咧就係可以做個保護啦，可以清理啦，甚至乎如果你相信嘅話，佢亦都可以影響天氣添。因為打風嘅時候咧，老師就會叫我哋黐晒喺所有嘅牆角啊、窗口啊咁樣。等你yeah, especially when the typhoon came, right?
Yeah.
Emery will ask us stick wherever the window side.
Activate it.
Yeah,
And you have dragon energy, you have violet flame energy, you have divine mother energy, you have angels, ascended masters, high vibrational galactics. All these beings are part of that symbol to help protect you.
係啦，因為嗰個符號咧，基本上佢係非常之有能力，因為裏邊佢如果遲啲有機會咧，老師嚟香港或者點樣有機會見到大家，我相信佢一定會詳細去解釋啦。咁基本嗰度有龍嘅能量啦，有龍嘅保護啦，有神聖母親嘅保護啦，有天使啦，仲有所有嘅揚升嘅大師啦，仲有 galactic 啦，即係宇宙嘅銀河系裏邊嘅大師啦嘅保護啦。咁所以佢裏邊嗰個保護係涵蓋性係無一遺漏嘅。
Ginny's
Yeah.
got the information on what each layer does, so she'll be telling you in a bit.
Yes， 我一陣間會同大家再解釋一下嘅，即係咁今日我諗差唔多啦 Emery 嘅時間，咁如果大家時間嘅關係仲可以留喺度嘅，我哋可以再用中文講多啲嘅。OK， 我哋好多謝 Emery，thanks for your time。
Thank you, Emery. Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye for now.
Ciao, ciao.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Bye bye.
Emery.
Love you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye。
Thank you.
哇，正唔正？喂，你知唔知而家大家啲同學咧？其實見慣 Emery 就知嘅。其實平時係上堂嘅，依家就淨係入嚟咧，醒咗我哋好多嘢。同埋可以話俾你聽，頭先龍嗰個符號咧，你哋如果有喺天窗呢一個群組嘅話咧，咁我 Emery 就已經講咗，你哋可以咧 print， 我哋會 send 呢一個圖俾你哋，你哋可以 print 翻個 digital 嘅 issue 嘅版本啊。咁你哋通常你哋而家 upload 到自己 print 翻出嚟咧個 size， 咁就唔幾大張都冇乜所謂嘅。咁基本上咧，我哋有個實體嘅 card 啦，咁但係你哋 digital 就會而家比較方便啲，遲啲 Emery 嚟香港咧，實體嘅卡咁你哋就可以攞到。咁嗰個咧，通常你見係一個卡片嘅 size 咧，比較容易係擺落我哋個 wallet 嘅咁樣咯。咁點解我諗我要講一講關於呢一個符號咧？基本上點解會可以有個 protection 咧？頭先你見唔見到有大天使或者有好多其他維度嘅嘢，或者我哋嘅揚升大師，即係如果你哋信觀音啊或者耶穌，其實所有嘢都會喺呢度咧。咁我大致上講一講，除咗符號之外咧，仲有呢個 spray 嘅。咁咧，我哋呢度嘅 ancestral healer 咧，佢哋自己都可以 blend 到呢一個 energy。佢哋已經大多數去到個 level 咧，已經讀咗跟咗 Emery 3年啦，差唔多大學課程都要3年。佢哋讀咗3年，佢哋自己係可以出到呢個 spray 嘅。咁Emery 有佢自己嘅 master production 啦，當然佢出嘅 spray 個 energy 完全唔同。咁點解我就開始要解釋咧？譬如呢一個 spray，我唔今日有一位同學冇到啦，咁嗰個同學咧，佢出完呢個 spray 之後咧，咁佢就俾咗佢嘅朋友，佢做空姐嘅。咁基本上咧，你都其實呢一樣嘢全部都係關於頻率啦，同埋維度嘅嘢。頭先 Emery 都有講過啦 ，timeline 同埋 space。所以如果我哋認為嗰一啲叫做鬼或者一啲低能量嘅嘢咧，咁係因為我哋 unknown 同埋有一啲嘢係唔知點解我哋 feel 到。咁喺呢一個 spray 或者呢一個符號裏面咧，其實因為我哋唔知我哋自己係一個咩 mediumship 啦，咁可能我哋嚟自嗱，我哋呢度 light worker 群組咧，唔知大家有冇睇到我哋 post 咗？如果 light worker 會知嘅，咁有幾多個 confirm 做 light worker 嘅時候咧，有啲人係嚟自光嗰個維度啦，有啲人係會嚟自 star being 啊，邊一類 star。其實每一個 being 咧，佢個 soul level 咧都會分咗唔同嘅層次，同埋嚟自唔同嘅維度。咁至於我哋認為有一啲嘢去影響我哋嘅時候，或者我哋一唔知就以為佢哋係一啲鬼怪啦。咁基本上咧，只係喺個時光或者 time 同埋 space 裏面咧，一個錯配，同埋啱啱越食越遠喺一啲 timing 裏面咧，突然間 merge in 個 frequency tune 到嘅時候咧，咁我哋大家都會見到或者感受到。咁呢一個符號咧，基本上就喺維度裏面咧，可以校對同埋令到你受驚恐嘅時候咧，佢會同你將個維度調翻去一個正常嘅維度，即係好似你撳收音機由 AM 去 FM，咁你冇諗過你本身係 FM 會轉咗去 AM，咁你當有呢個符號嘅時候咧，裏面嘅 coding 咧係會自動將佢校對翻一個維度咧，係令你安全嘅維度。大家唔知有冇睇過奇異博士咧 Doctor Strange？ 呢度有幾多人睇過奇異博士？中文係咪啱唔啱？我覺得嗱，如果奇異博士大家有睇到咧，記唔記得佢最勁咧就係畫嗰個圈啊，有一個光嘅圈。
有睇，好好睇。
係啊，嗰個咧嗱，畫咗個圈之後咧，你會見咧佢係去咗第二個維度嘅。咁所以咧，
冇錯
就算有啲咩追佢嘅話咧，你會發覺，除非嗰個人佢 tune 到之後咧，佢跟住佢可以入落去嗰個維度。咁但係正常嘅 energy 咧，佢唔係嗰個維度咧，其實佢跳唔到去嗰度。咁呢一個 spray 同呢一個符號咧，就係有嗰個作用，就係嗰個圈類似。佢去翻一個維度嘅時候，如果你見到一啲比較低 entity 低能量嘅嘢，咁而啱啱喺個 moment 見到，咁當你有呢個 spray 或者呢個符號嘅時候咧，佢就可以致令到你有一個保護，得唔得？咁呢個就係 Emery 佢本身所屬嘅維度，佢可以令到佢成為 Master Healer，佢做咗好多唔同嘅 energy 同 coding 喺裏面嘅，大家明唔明白？咁所以咧，但係呢一個符號咧，如果你哋收到嘅時候，頭先會見到我呢個係細版啦。咁細版其實我係 print 咗出嚟啦，然後自己 cut 啦，跟住我擺到每一個 corner 都係嘅。咁即係基本上你哋 feel 到，譬如有啲花花草草咧，咪成日都淋花，要淋花佢都借嘅。咁可能嗰啲 energy 咧比較，你覺得啊，其實嗰啲花草係嚟保護我哋啦。咁跟住如果唔係佢借就我哋借噶啦嘛，所以基本上咧嗰個位咧，你不斷咁換花咧，其實都一定冇問題。咁但係如果呢個符號你揾到嗰啲 corner 咧，其實你可以印咗之後擺喺個 corner 位都 OK，得唔得？會有一定嘅幫助咯。 咁但係咧，裡面有一啲嘢要練翻嘅。頭先Elise 你可以俾一個中文，有冇一個中文啊？中文呢個放大嗰個咧，嗱，見唔見到上面有啲字嘅？咁我可以 send 翻俾你哋。咁你會睇到咧，其實有啲嘢練嘅。跟住咧，嗰個叫做咩？阿 Cam，你讀一讀可能會正確啲喎。嗰個叫咩？Dragon。
Dragos、Rialo、Angelos 呢個咧係嗰啲Hebrew 希伯來文啊，定係 Ladens 嚟嘅。基本上佢就係 activate 嘅時候，其實我哋讀翻呢三個英文啊，咧你咪見到下邊有三個英文字母。Dragos 其實係龍咯，Rialo 就係我哋嘅紫火，Viola 就係嗰個紫火。Angelo 咧就係呢個就係個天使咯，咁其實就係啟動翻嗰個符號。咁補充少少啦，因為而家香港都風季多啊，咁Anne-Marie成日提我哋咧，如果打風嘅時候咧，大家就可以編咗呢個符號連喺啲當風嘅地方咯，或者係等你屋企嘅四周等啲風，即係等可以保護你免受呢啲風。或者颱風嘅能量嘅，講緊都係能量，受呢啲嘅能量嘅影響，就係咁啦。
好，好正，好嗱，大家可以嘗試啦。咁當然啦，如果你哋覺得想要高啲嘅能量，梗係要一個即係 master production 啦。咁呢個遲啲我哋會再公開，暫時咧用住先，我都覺得夠用嘅。咁除咗呢啲符號之外咧，喺多維度裏面咧，我哋有一個白色呢一個我哋叫 Pearl Symbol 啦。我唔知頭先你哋有冇留意Anne-Marie 佢背後面佢嗰個係 original 嘅嘢，我哋已經用咗係咪超過2年啊 Cam 嘅時間，每逢禮拜二嘅 Earth Healing 咧，裡面咧我哋就不斷去我哋12個 chakra 脈輪咧已經啟動晒呢個符號裡面嘅 coding 同 DNA。咁呢個白色嘅符號咧係可以俾自己或者屋企人咧係裡面係帶住一啲嘅祝福嘅。咁呢一個我哋遲啲可以 send 埋個 link，如果大家所需要，我想 send 俾你啲朋友諸如此類咧，咁你哋自己可以去訂咯，咁樣得唔得？咁所以咧，如果你哋需要保護嘅嘢咧，我覺得喺我哋而家大家講到呢度啦，我可能有啲人仲未分享，咁我覺得要 summarize 一下，其實咧我哋需要嘅保護咧，全部都喺我哋個 belief system 裏面，呢個係首要嘅。咁所有嘢喺我嘅字典啦，或者其他人唔知，希望你哋明白，裡面其實真係 time 同埋 space 一個 timeline 喺個能量場上面咧。如果我哋去到，你會發覺如果我哋中國人講，即係好似衰開有條路啊，或者一見開呢啲嘢咧，通常都係喺我哋自己個能量場係比較低啲嘅時候。其實去到嗰個位，如果我哋真係見到一啲我哋唔想見嘅嘢咧，反而我哋自己要諗，點解呢排我哋個能量場咁低？佢俾你見到嘅時候咧，其實如果我哋唔驚嘅話咧，嗰啲嗱，大家有冇聽過咧？鬼怕人幾多分啊？人怕鬼幾多分？有冇人可以幫手答
？3分7分，
鬼怕人7分嘛，鬼
冇錯，
怕人係
鬼怕
7
人
分嘅，
係咪大？冇錯，大家係咪都知？基本上，如果我哋喺7嗰個位嘅時候咧，你唔低過佢嗰個3，你唔會俾佢佔用咗。大家如果已經打平嘅時候咧，你哋一定會受影響嘅喺能量場，因為你嘅接收能力已經 tune in 咗。咁但係如果你哋驚嘅時候咧，你一定會跌低過你呢個評分噶嘛。咁你變咗4嘅時候，咁佢咪會開始能夠駕馭到同埋有唔同嘅嘢可以作出一啲嘅反應咯。咁所以我反而覺得，如果作出保護，任何符號或者任何嘢，冇可能會高過你自己嘅 belief，一定要 belief。我本身係7分，點解我今日會見到你嘅？如果你哋有呢個提醒嘅時候咧，只要你哋望上個天，你見到太陽最好啦，嗰啲光一定會同你補給。如果你夜晚見到，你諗下個太陽或者望下個月亮都有光嘅，咁你一定喺上邊。咁你個能量場可能本身跌到去3同佢平分嘅時候，你可以自己直升，得唔得？個 belief 同埋個能量場其實係可以好短時間即刻 pick up，只要你哋相信同埋你哋 feel 到。 咁你哋就會唔驚。希望呢一樣嘢會幫到你哋大家，呢個係最快嘅方法。其他人有冇問題？冇啦，係咪啊？基本上喺呢度咧講嗰啲嘢都幾深嘅。如果 light worker 就會比較明咯，因為我哋本身 light worker 就係嚟自天使維度啦。咁天使維度咧就係 multi dimension，咁所以咧我哋會有一定嘅光去 support 同埋有一定嘅 knowledge，去知道咧其實就算唔識解釋咧，但係我哋會明白有好多嘅 energy 係嚟自邊一度。好，我哋會唔會
Jenny
係講啊
Shana，其實頭先我都有嘢想講，因為我都遇過啲我嗌佢哋係朋友咯，我都遇過幾次嘅。咁但係因為有一樣嘢頭先我都想講嘅，不過頭先 Anne-Marie 喺度啱啱去臨到最尾，佢答咗一樣嘢而我未發問嘅嘢，就係佢哋同我講嘢。咁所以咧，我就覺得因為我試過一次都幾，我唔係驚，而係我覺得啊，點解你揾我同我講嘢咧？咁因為我唔知佢哋講乜嘢，因為佢響我耳邊講嘢，我完全唔知佢講乜嘢。咁所以咧，我就當冇嘢。咁我個腦唔諗嘢，我唔想升到我啲 frequency 或者我腦嘅腦電波嘅嘢，所以我當繼續瞓覺，當聽唔到。咁佢就就越嚟越埋，咁啊一路喺度同我講嘢啦，喺我耳仔度。咁我當繼續瞓覺，我唔會理到佢。咁其實嗰件事係喺我舊居。咁其實一路我住喺嗰度係相安無事嘅。咁我相信係我有一個朋友，佢係想等低隻狗俾我，叫我幫佢看，因為佢隻狗會去到嗰啲啲寵物店啊，嗰啲 pet hotel 咧，佢會俾人虐待咯。咁所以佢唔敢等低，就嚟咗我屋企。咁而我呢個朋友咧，佢係去 call 佢自己係睇到朋友嘅，OK。咁佢就帶咗佢隻狗嚟我屋企，咁啊相安無事。咁我就一個禮拜喺我屋企住啦。咁啊跟住到我朋友再嚟接佢走嗰陣時候咧，咁我朋友走得好匆匆忙忙，咁冇乜嘢同我講。咁我已經知道有啲事啦，因為佢個樣係變咗顏色咯，塊面我個朋友。咁跟住後尾之後佢同我講，咁佢就話俾我聽，有位朋友響我個廚房門嗰度咯。咁其實我話唔緊要啊，冇所謂啊，大家相安無事，好似等於阿 Moon 講，你唔理我，我唔理你，大家尊重大家，你有你個 space，我有我個 space，所以冇問題。咁但係咧，假以時日之後，佢哋走咗之後咧，冇幾耐咧，因為我住咗間屋幾年噶啦，係冇事發生嘅。咁跟住佢走咗之後啦，帶埋隻狗啦，過咗一段短時間之後咧。我個廚房咧，會到夜晚咧，會啲碗咧係會砰砰聲咯。咁好似明明洗咗啲碗擺喺個架度，係好正常，咁係冇嘢嘅。咁去到夜晚11點、12點，我啲碟咧就會有聲響嘅啦，個廚房。咁佢會好似啲碗碟咧啪啪啪咁樣嘅。咁我會即刻望住我個廚房，咁但係我唔會理，我亦都唔會起身，我亦都唔會離開我個我喺我個 living room 度，我係唔會理嘅。總言之，我會 set 我自己幾多點瞓覺，我就幾多點瞓覺。好啦，咁相安無事一段時間，佢都係咁樣咯。咁跟住到我先生就放大假啦，咁佢離開香港就得我自己屋企啦。咁啊，跟住有一晚咧，我就覺得好奇怪。咁我瞓到我明明個床嗰度咧個側邊有個衣櫃，我擺件好長嘅褸喺度，咁冇嘢嘅。但係有一晚咧，我就發覺，咦？朦朦朧朧，我發覺，咦，點解我件褸會喺我床尾嘅？係好長嘅，好高嘅黑色。我話，誒，點解我件褸會去咗嗰度？點解唔係掛咗喺我個左手邊？點解去咗我個床尾嘅？咁我冇事啦，繼續瞓覺。咁跟住咧，到第二晚咧，咁啊繼續瞓覺啦。咁我就發覺，有有啲嘢喺我張床度一步一步、一步一步上咗我張床咯。跟住就我停止咗自己呼吸先。點解咁大聲呼吸聲？唔通我 有鼻鼾，其實我醒咗噶啦，但係我諗唔通我有鼻鼾，咁我就停止自己呼吸，唔呼吸，但係我都聽到有呼吸聲咯，係越嚟越近，越嚟越大聲咯。咁跟住就真係我知道佢有嘢同我講啊，但係我完全聽唔明佢講乜嘢。咁因為我心裏面覺得，如果我同佢溝通，而我唔知佢講乜嘢，但係因為佢又要求我幫佢做一啲嘢，而我又唔識佢嘅，我會咁點算呢？咁所以我覺得我幫唔到人，我嘅能力我幫唔到佢。咁如果我同佢溝通嘅，佢以為我係想幫佢，咁但係我哋又同佢溝通唔到，我又未必一定幫到佢。咁所以我用一個態度就係我扮冇事發生咯，繼續瞓覺咯。咁佢跟住咧就可能係發脾氣咯，咁就令我窒住咗我咯。我完全 feel 到佢係撳住咗我咯。咁跟住最後點咧？我就好平靜，自己喺度念個經咯。咁啊，當我念咗一個經，我仲嗌地藏王咯，我念地藏王。咁因為念咗兩句之後就冇事發生啦。跟住之後就我諗住死啦！我先生又未翻嚟香港，咁點算咯？慢慢得我自己一個，會唔會再嚟咧？咁但係真係冇再嚟到啦。跟住我再住多幾年都冇事啦。咁我就搬咗嚟呢一度，又冇乜嘢，因為我係會有啲感覺嘅，我對佢哋。如果真係喺我附近，咁同埋我亦都唔係第一次遇到，但係呢一次咧係最直情係佢係騷擾咗我咯。冇嘢啦，唔該晒大家。
喂，呢個都幾驚喎！好似講咁多咧，呢個有少少。
因為我覺得係朋友帶咗嚟我屋企咯。
OK，唔係，即係起碼呢個似鬼故，
係
都幾
啊，
OK。唔係，大家聽唔聽到阿 Sheena 其實講呢樣嘢嘅時候咧，佢一啲都唔驚。咁所以嗱，我諗一陣間咧，我都會揾其他人幫手答啦。咁我講咗我知道嘅嘢啦。咁基本上，咁 Sheena，如果你知道呢啲嘢咧，其實係唔驚嘅咧。首先第一樣嘢就係你一定係個 frequency 咧，呢個 mediumship 咧係 tune in 到嘅。咁通常咧，我都有同其他 light worker 講過，如果我哋有聽到聲音，或者你覺得有一啲嘢跟住你嘅時候咧，其實我哋得兩個選擇嘅啫，有兩個方向嘅。第一個方向咧就係基本上嗰一啲嘅 energy 啦。佢見到你嘅光，如果佢有嘢所求，佢哋見唔到我哋啲 shape 或者眼耳口鼻，佢見到光嘅時候，佢向住個光去求助。咁而如果你係嗰一點光嘅時候，但係你嗰個意願或者你嘅 willing，你係唔想聽，咁基本上佢 keep 住同你去講嘢，但係佢一定係有嘢想講嘅時候咧，咁所以你會唔係好明。咁但係你頭先你有講過一樣嘢就係、佢一路跟進嘅時候，你想嘗試聽，不過你聽唔明。咁如果喺呢啲情況下咧，喺我哋天使群組裏面咧，通常我哋都會話，你會呢啲係一個天道嘅嘢咯。如果天有一啲嘅 message，你可以請求頭先 Emery 講過啦，你嘅大天使或者你嘅 guardian angel 守護天使，亦都或者你嘅 higher self 去揾你哋嘅 guides，而去幫你解決呢一樣嘢，或者帶人用光帶翻佢哋走。如果唔係咧，正常譬如喺我而家個狀況，譬如我有時見到你會可能我就咁坐咗喺車度，見到啲貓貓狗狗喺個馬路已經俾啲車死咗啦。咁好多時我哋千祈唔好落車啦，因為可能自己都會有危險。咁通常我哋會個做法就係send 一道光，或者叫大天使或者你嘅街 send 一道光帶佢走啦。咁即係只需要你嘅 willing 同埋你有呢一樣嘢咧，基本上已經係做咗一啲嘢。但係喺我哋人類層面咧，唔需要再做一啲嘢。譬如你落車或者你會有危險，咁當然啦，你會覺得喺安全嘅情況下，你想做一啲嘢係 OK 嘅，得唔得？即係你哋一定要睇住自己為一個 priority 咯。咁譬如我頭先講咗其中一個方案啦，第二個方案就係講一個 energy。 原來係你累生累世，佢等咗喺呢個 moment 有一啲嘢你哋要相遇，佢要去解決嘅。如果你 time 同 space，如果你嘅時間而家吻合，但係個 space 離開咗，你要發覺佢都再揾咗你嘅。That's mean 呢樣嘢你一定要拆掂佢。咁到時你一定要 ask for help。如果你唔知點做，你要向其他嘅類似相關嘅人去幫你咯。咁如果你係唔驚嘅，我相信呢個 energy 唔係一啲嚟累你嘅嘢咯。咁譬如 Anne-Marie 係一個最佳嘅選擇啦，因為佢多維度嘅大師咧，基本上嗰個 energy 嚟自邊度咧？你一見到佢，佢已經同你 tune 到，佢知道係點。我咁樣答唔答到嘅？China 喺咩度？
Sorry，頭先我瞄咗聽你講嘢，聽答到，因為其實Anne-Marie 頭先都答咗噶啦，因為話揾Astro 啊、Michael 啊，即係或者再 high 一啲 spirit，咁但係嗰剎那我唔知道啊嘛，咁所以而家我知道啊，咁我 OK，我明白，因為最主要就係我同佢哋溝通唔到嘅時候，我點去幫佢哋咧？咁我冇理由口爽爽就去應承幫咗，其實我根本都唔知點樣幫，所以而家明白咯，我會知道啦。Thank you。
好正，好聰明啊！你記住有啲人咧，記住呢一天有天道，人有人間道。如果天道嘅嘢，你用人道去應承咧，基本上有啲嘢係唔需要，同埋係可以用一個再聰明啲嘅方法，因為上面嘅嘢交翻俾上邊，只要大家心中知道自己有守護天使、大天使或者高我，其實都已經好好可以去做到，得唔得？
知道，明白。
好。其實最好一樣嘢就係唔驚，唔驚嘅時候，你哋知道個能量咧，你一定唔會低過去。咁同埋你本身如果咁樣嘅話咧，佢冇影冇聲或者什麼，佢一定係你個 knowing 狀態咧。你就算睇唔到咧，你個 knowing 狀態已經知道個數據咧，佢唔係嚟搞你嘅，佢係想有一啲嘢。不過你係聽唔明佢講咩。如果你想聽得明，或者你唔想聽，交翻俾上邊教。OK，
係啊，冇錯。
Good。即係其實好似老鼠曱甴咁咧，基本上你哋覺唔覺得即係等於阿 Moon 或者 Sheena 頭先講，佢哋嗰啲嘢其實呢個世界一定喺度嘅。老鼠曱甴，你驚佢都冇用啦，係咪？咁你咪知道哇？如果有咁點啊？一係清理下啦，一係就即係你哋自有方法咯。好，其他人仲有冇問題？哇！我哋今日 overrun 啦喎，會唔會大家都仲有問題想問或者想講？咁會唔會咧？阿 Avia 想問你啦，頭先阿 Sheena 嗰個講法，你會唔會喺你嗰方面有啲咩 suggestion？
好認同啊！其實Sheena 已經做得好好啊，因為如果真係唔識點樣做咧，係首先我會提議就係其實每個人都有自己，我哋所謂嘅自由意志啊嘛。其實你真係可以唔幫佢，或者用你嘅善意嘅，因為其實當你釋出善意嘅時候，嗰個已經係一個 frequency 嚟㗎啦。其實佢已經知道，或者可能已經 get 到啦。其實你未必幫到佢，或者未必係一個啱嘅對頻嘅一個狀態咯。咁可能就係、譬如有時我哋都話唔好明佢喺度想做乜咧。我通常都係 call 天使，呢個都係最直接，就係 call 天使 Michael 搞掂佢咁樣，或者 call 天使俾個光佢哋，送佢哋走咁樣。係啊，呢個就係其實都係一份祝福啦，或者一份愛啦，俾佢哋。其實佢哋當然可能有啲 message 佢真係需要幫手嘅。咁或者咁講啦，如果嗰件事真係同你係有關，係真係要揾你嘅話咧，其實都會重複發生㗎啦。咁到時嘅就好似頭先阿 Jenny 講，就到時再要揾人幫手。咁但係如果佢都已經冇再揾你，或者冇再發生嘅話，其實可能只係啱啱嗰個 timing，佢就遇着，咦有點光喎，咦可能有呢個人係應該 get 到我或者幫到我一啲嘢喎。咁所以佢想敲門，想撳鐘，咁但係你唔理佢，或者你冇一個 signal feedback 翻俾佢，咁可能佢就會再揾第二個咯。係啊，咁通常我哋都係交翻俾天使咯。
正
係啊，我都
好
相信係咁樣啦，因為好明顯係我住咗喺度相安無事嘅。自從我
係咯，
朋友喺我屋企嚟咗一次之後，匆匆忙忙，跟住匆匆忙忙又走低，跟住之後話俾我聽，咁跟住就啲特別嘅事就發生咯，即係定時定候咧就會拍我啲碗啊，我廚房就會有聲咯。 咁就即係其實俾佢 signal 我，喂，你快啲入翻去你睡房啦，呢個係我嘅 area，即係我個 space 咯。可能佢咁話俾我聽，但係我會堅持用翻我自己嘅生活習慣，我要幾多點就幾多點翻入去，唔係你出嚟我就要走咯。即係我覺得
嗯
大家應該係尊重咯，要。
嗯
咁
哦
跟住佢就揾啱機會就嚟，可能想有所要求咯。但係即係正如你哋講，我都根本唔知點樣幫佢咯，所以我唔會去胡亂去答應，或者或者我睇點幫你，即係我唔會講呢啲咁樣嘅嘢咯。我有我個選擇咯，我覺得係。
聰明我聰
總
明，
之唔好繼續搞我就得啦，我覺得係。
我最然覺
所以今日
得你
聽完。
好正，
今日聽
嗯，
完之後，我覺得咦，原來可以有呢一啲咁樣嘅方法咯。咁所以我覺得可能我都會嘗試下要咁樣做咯。如果再係發生，因為我唔係第一次發生，以前都有發生第二啲事咯，但係就冇嗰次係咁犀利咯，係。
其實你唔
得
驚已經好叻噶啦。跟住
嗯
你覺唔覺得，因為你個朋友帶咗隻狗嚟，然後佢話咗俾你聽，你個 belief system 突然間你相信咗，咁你個 frequency 咧，你係 tune 到啊。如果
嗯
佢唔講嘅時候咧，你會覺得冇嘢。咁所以其實呢個係一個好好嘅例子。首先唔驚啦，跟住你 believe 啦。咁但係再 believe 嘅時候，其實你可以 upgrade 你個 belief，就係我都 believe 你係嗰一點光，佢先至睇到。咁你話明係
嗯
光，咁你起碼有7分先，你知你自己嘅度數一定高，明唔明啊？如果
嗯
你跌
嗯
低，如果你驚嘅話，你呢7分一定會，佢係想鋪翻你落去咁低，咁跟住佢咪可以再俾多啲嘢你，你可以會再驚咯。所以一定要相信自己，一定係高過佢先。如果唔係，
嗯
唔好自己驚。大家如果呢度曾經聽過呢啲咁嘅鬼故事或者係驚嘅時候，你會發現你哋一定要 ask for help 咯，一定會有人有一點光可以令到你再光啲咯，都 OK 啊？
，OK，thank you。
1年幾之前啦，咁我第一次見到，咁其實我見到嘅時候咧，並唔係見到一個嘅，而係我屋企望出去嘅 area 嗰度咧，係見到晒，有啲咩靈體我都見到晒。而我嗰下第一次見到係好震驚嘅，咁然之後，因為嗰陣時睇到嘅時候，我唔覺得佢哋係靈體啊，咁所以我係即係驚到去咗報警。咁呢個係第一個經歷啦。咁第二個經歷咧，就係我有一次，去咗我朋友屋企啦，咁我哋即係傾偈啦，咁然之後去到夜晚嘅時候咧，突然間佢有一個祖先咧，就佢爺爺就上咗我身嘅，咁然之後佢就呼我呢個肉身咧，就講一啲好重要嘅信息咧，俾佢個孫，即係我朋友個爺爺啦，即係佢就好。即係嗰陣時，佢係應該嚟緊會發生一啲好緊要嘅嘢，佢就想透過我嘅肉身咧，就講一啲好重要嘅信息俾個孫知，等佢可以預防嘅。咁而呢件事咧，就大概我諗睇下諗下先，2、3年嘅時候嘅。咁而呢個故事咧，仲有後續嘅，後續就係我諗係8月尾到，跟住我又即係出去做嘢嘅時候咧。我哋又經過咗去，即係喺大陸做嘢嘅時候啦，就經過咗呢個朋友嗰個祠堂，即係今日咁啱講咁多祠堂嘅故事，咁啊講翻。咁而我去到佢個祠堂嘅時候咧，咁佢哋開始點香啦。咁其實我都係純粹一個過客嘅身份經過嘅，但係唔知點解突然之間咧，就即係我覺得好攰，個袋好重，咁我諗住放低個袋，然之後揾張凳坐低嘅時候咧，就突然間咧，我係即係有畫面去到我個腦度啦。咁我就見到嗰個祠堂入邊，佢所有嘅祖先嘅樣子啦，佢哋全部人坐晒喺度啦。然之後有其中一個祖先咧，比較後生一啲嘅，佢就同我講咗一啲信息，亦都我第一個反應就係問啊，呢啲信息我可唔可以即係講翻俾你哋嘅後人知㗎？跟住佢就話，其實我就係需要你幫我哋講翻俾我哋啲後人知道嘅。咁我就講晒佢哋要講嘅啦，然後我都好自然咁問翻佢哋，即係好似朋友咁，唔知點解。雖然我唔識佢哋啊，咁我就問翻佢哋，其實你個孫嚟緊有啲工作要做喎，佢有啲願望㗎喎。如果 佢嚟緊個願望達成咗，或者呢個工作真係做得成嘅話啦，你哋有冇啲乜嘢要翻啊？即係佢使唔使還神還翻俾你哋咧？因為咁啱佢嚟咗個祠堂，就諗住點香俾你哋。跟住佢啲祖先就同佢講，其實佢哋冇咩想要噶，即係就算即係佢個孫啦嚟緊即係件事做成咗，佢會做成嘅，但係中間咧有幾個重點咧就必須要留意啦。咁佢就講晒俾我知，就叫我講俾佢個孫聽啦。咁然後咧，佢就話佢唔需要任何回報嘅，即係話吓咁唔使特別再買啲生果或者買一啲嗰啲祭品俾你哋，或者會唔會燒啲金銀衣寶同埋啲衫啊俾你哋，使唔使啊？佢哋話都唔使，佢哋就係想要一啲白酒。咁我就即係將呢啲信息話晒俾佢哋聽，咁就咁就完咗啦。咁但係成個過程我自己覺得就冇話驚唔驚嘅。咁總之我自己覺得成個過程就好似去到間戲院，跟住突然間即係你冇諗到嗰度係戲院嚟嘅，一行入去突然間就有畫面俾你睇，然後睇完之後你就將你見到嘅畫面話俾即係相關嘅人士聽咯。我分享係咁多。
突然間嗰個 frequency 喺嗰個 time 同埋 space 咧，咁你知道咧，你會 sense 到。但係我想問你一個問題，通常如果你不嬲都唔係修練嘅人啦，咁你突然之間咁樣睇到咧，你應該喺呢幾年裏面咧，你有啲嘢所求咧，你好想睇到某啲嘢，或者你想開天眼，而咧喺呢啲 moment 咧，突然之間你係會開竅咁樣咧，喺一個 right time 同 right space 咧，你就會睇到。你之前有冇所求呢一樣嘢？
冇啊！我係之前真係一個麻瓜嘅，我冇諗過呢啲嘢㗎，即係
解
唔知乜嘢係第三眼啊，好多都唔知啊！我直情都冇諗過，嗰刻都冇諗過自己會見到靈體嘅，因為我
嗯
以前咧，我諗我係即係如果個地方唔係咁好氣場，我諗我會起雞皮嘅啫。咁然後就會覺得頭痛，除咗呢兩樣嘢之後，就乜都冇感覺㗎啦。
嗯，OK。
係啦。
如果係咁嘅話咧，你頭先睇嗰啲 layer 就等於我哋所講咧，就係 multi-dimension，有唔同嘅 layer，你突然之間你接收到嗰個信號，全部都係一啲 data。咁即係譬如如果個 coding，譬如頭先 Sheena 分享，佢未會播咗地藏王之後咧，跟住佢就以後再睇唔到，係因為嗰個 coding 咧，佢封咗或者佢做咗一個佢 break 咗個 coding，咁喺佢嗰個能量場或者佢個 space 上面咧就睇唔到，同我頭先講噴呢啲 space 咧嗰個原理係差唔多，睇唔睇到？即係一樣嘅，你一噴咗之後咧個 coding 唔同咗啦，咁你就唔會再睇到 something 嚟咁。
明白，明白。但係我自己就冇話，即係冇話驚啦，同埋我亦都冇話主動去幫佢哋，因為我知道自己能力係做唔到啦。咁但係即係咁啱講開，有另一個故事分享就係，我去咗一個朋友屋企，佢應該係佢屋企係有靈體喺度，然後我就突然間就我諗係我嘅族人啦，同埋我嘅幫我嘅類似指導靈又好，即係總之係我嘅族人啦，有能量嘅族人啦，佢就上咗，即係去咗我嘅身體度咧。我突然間咧就問我個朋友，問佢屋企啊，你有冇香啊？可唔可以俾支香我啊？然之後一拎住支香之後咧，即係我後尾問翻佢，因為我其實嗰一下我問佢拎完支香，佢點咗一支香俾我揸住咗嘅時候咧，我已經冇咗我自己㗎啦，即係冇咗我自己嘅意思係我嗰個意識咧就已經放空咗，我就放鬆到即係任我嗰個族人就做嘢啦。然後咧，我個朋友話翻俾我聽咧，我係拎住支香咧，好似寫緊一啲嘢嘅，我睇架空寫緊一啲字啦。然後咧，我口咧係講緊一啲天語嘅，咁就一路做一路做，咁然之後咧就幫佢清好咗間屋啦。然後我就話俾佢聽，咦？就見到佢房，即係主人房入邊咧，就有一個女嘅靈體，就係白色衫嘅着，然之後踎咗喺佢牆，即係點講咧？佢張床某一個角落，床尾嘅一個角落就踎咗喺度。咁然之後我就幫佢太太啦，同啲小朋友做晒封身之後咧，咁咧我嗰個畫面出咗嚟咧，就係要佢哋即刻要快一份簿嘅，喺佢露台快一份簿。然後咧，我嗰個族人，即係我嗰個嗰個有能量嘅處理呢件事嘅人啦，我唔知點叫佢，因為我冇佢個名。咁佢咧 就俾咗個畫面，我就 call 佢哋要接一份簿啦。咁喺露台燒，一定要佢老婆燒嘅。燒完之後咧，咁咧即係我嗰個族人咧，佢就坐咗一架船，就喺佢哋個露台出面咧，半空咧就坐咗架船。然後咧，佢就 call 嗰個女，即係嗰個女鬼啦，即係嗰個女嘅靈體啦。然後咧就送佢上咗架船，然之後就送走咗佢啦。咁呢個就係另一個嘅故事。咁我一做完之後咧，我先至個人意識翻嚟咁樣咯。咁但係呢個係一個好突然嘅情況，因為我係冇諗過嗰刻去佢屋企會做呢件事，而又發生咗。咁然後我就同翻個朋友講啦，喂，我見到咧一個畫面，就係如果呢件事咧，即係我冇嚟到送走呢個女嘅靈體走啦，你屋企係會嚟緊都會發生一個命案嘅，就係你太太會突然間精神失常啦。然後咧就我見到個畫面就係佢太太係見到佢係精神失常，拎住把刀咧，然之後佢有兩個仔，一個大仔一個細仔嘅。但係我就即係個畫面就見到一個男嘅小朋友就趴咗喺地下，然之後好多血。咁而呢張相咧，我就見到咧報紙同埋啲新聞就出咗嚟咁樣嘅，即係我就話翻俾你聽，喂，其實如果唔清嘅話咧，可能你其中一個小朋友會有事喎咁樣。咁我就咁樣話翻俾你聽嘅時候，佢就同我講啊，點解你會咁樣講嘅？因為我最近呢個禮拜唔知做乜嘢，我硬係覺得我個細仔係會嚟緊，唔知會俾我老婆打死定係斬死。佢都話佢都唔知點解有呢個畫面出現咗，就係咁夾咯。即係我話其實我就冇諗過嚟到你屋企就會幫你做呢件事，但係我叫佢哋多謝翻個宇宙，多謝翻所有嘅嘢，令到呢件事發生，亦都令到你太太同埋個小朋友最後都冇事咯。我可以做嘅就只能夠做到咁樣啦。係啦，呢個係另一個故事嘅分享嚟。
我其實大家喺呢一方面驚唔驚啊？聽完之後，即係基本上咧，阿 Gory 上次有講過俾我聽嘅，你記唔記得？不過 Gory 你上次講嗰個咧，有一個好重要嘅，有一個好重要嘅證物咧，嗰個就係佢有一條，佢有一把除魔劍。
唔係，佢有把滅魔刀。我係唔
滅
知點解拎住咗支香喺度做下嘢之後，我問佢：你係咪有？即係我唔知佢屋企有噶嘛？跟住突然間問佢：你屋企係咪有滅魔嘅咩乜嘢啊？跟住佢話有把滅魔刀啊，即係好手掌咁大把嘅。跟住佢就俾我，跟住我就一路整嘅時候就拎住佢嗰把刀就一路做咯。但係我嗰下係冇意識嘅，係。
嗯。
係
嗱，其實如果依家剩翻落嚟嘅朋友咧，應該都好有興趣聽關於呢一啲嘅嘢嘅，即係魔啊，或者你哋覺得係一啲魔道嘅。咁嗱，首先而家Gory 嗰個位置咧，基本上佢係容許一個能量咧上佢個身咧，而去做一啲嘅嘢嘅。咁喺呢個情況下咧，基本上因為佢係冇經驗啦，而可能佢會覺得有一啲嘢佢係想去避免一樣嘢，佢認為會發生啦。咁所以依家喺你而家有經驗嘅時候咧，其實你記住，我哋人類嘅意願咧係我哋嘅首選。如果下一次你再有嘅時候，首先你要問佢係邊位啦，同埋你首先要問咗你自己嘅守護靈或者指導靈。呢一件事，佢哋可唔可以幫到？因為我相信你都係好想避免一啲嘅悲劇去發生啦。因為你 visual 嘅，你要記住天有天道，人有人間道。有一啲嘅嘢咧，係佢哋係有一啲嘢係要收翻嚟，或者有啲嘢係人類嘅做法。因為你嘅行為咧，可能唔一定你因為咁樣而可以改變佢嘅結果。但係如果係咁，交翻俾個天，佢一定會做到。咁但係喺你呢一次嚟講咧，嗰個經驗 which 我都覺得算幾安全，同埋對你嚟講咧，呢一場戲幾好睇，我覺得係嘛，好有經驗。
我唔可以話好有經驗，只不過其實呢件事完咗之後，其實我係有情緒喺度嘅，即係個情緒係我唔知點講，我係揞住咗啊個心。即係理論上我幫完人應該係開心噶嘛，即係正常啦。但係我呢件事發生咗之後咧，我就發覺我個心係有嘢揞住嘅。咁我開頭係唔知點解啦，但係我後尾即係同自己做翻一個和解嘅時候咧，其實我發現係 點樣講咧？因為嗰刻咧個能量衝入嚟我身嘅時候咧太快啦，而嗰陣時我又冇乜經驗啦，我係冇問過自己想唔想咁樣做，呢個第一點啦。第二點係我冇問過我個朋友同埋佢太太想唔想咁樣做，而我覺得自己係多咗事，即係做咗架樑啊，即係俗稱。所以我嗰次做完之後，我係好唔開心嘅。然後我即係都唔開心咗2-3日，跟住我係後尾揾一個朋友傾偈，傾完之後我就即係提我自己啦，我會以呢件事做翻個即係以呢件事為鑑啦。我嚟緊發生任何嘢，我都會有我嘅次序，做定係唔做或者點樣，都會有一個流程先會再處理咁咯。
我覺得好正嘅，因為你一定係 gifted 先至會有咁嘅經驗俾你睇翻啦。但係即係好好咁收翻呢一個禮物，而去做更多嘅嘢。譬如呢個係一個好嘅經驗啦，而佢嘅結果起碼唔係咁 worse，你真係幫到咯。我未提過你，其實如果嗰個人有一把所謂嘅除魔劍，呢個人本身我都話我屋企廚房有刀有鉸剪，但係我真係唔知咩叫除魔劍。咁本身呢個人嗰個背景或者佢自己有一啲嘅嘢咧，其實一定要係佢本身嘅造化嚟嘅。如果唔係，佢唔會有把除魔劍。咁最好就交翻俾個天，你嘅能力唔一定可以改變佢嘅結果，但係幾好，我覺得呢個 sharing 唔錯。而家開始清晰係嘛？
係啊，而家清晰好多啦。係啊，因為都即係上次阿 Cam 同埋 Nancy 都即係同我做咗 Zoom meeting 之後咧，都俾咗好多即係指示啊，一啲 guideline 俾我啊，等我有啲功課做翻啊。其實我自己感覺啦，我同我背後嘅族人嗰個連結係越嚟越清晰嘅。咁係啦，我都會知道有邊一啲族人喺度，而即係最近啦，我做冥想嘅時候啦，我直情好清楚係同其中4個去對話嘅，係啦，
非常好。
咁因為我知道唔止4個嘅，咁嚟緊希望慢慢再同其他族人即係慢慢溝通翻咁咯。
繼續咯，係咪我同你揾到你個街之後，你越收到越嚟越多啊？
應該咁樣。喺你幫我揾個街之前咧，我已經知道我個族人咧大概有幾多個嘅。咁但係咧，我見過嘅咧就係真係4至5個左右啦。咁而家咧我就即係你幫我連結咗我嘅街之後咧，我就可以清楚同我見過嗰4至5個咧就溝通到，即係傾到偈啦。
開始個 language OK 係嘛？個語
係啦，
言啊。
即係我會知道佢性格啦，即係因為阿 Cam 好好啊，佢就話，因為我之前教書噶嘛，咁佢就話你當咧，你而家上堂，你係一個老師嚟嘅，你就對翻你啲學生，你了解翻你班學生點點點啦，咁我就用翻呢個方法同翻我嘅族人去溝通咯。咁而上一次完咗之後咧，我都有講啊，其實我都開始認識咗你哋啦。咁如果有新嘅族人又想我慢慢認識咧，你哋就慢慢入嚟啦，就係咁樣啦。
所以係咪好正啊？知道自己係乜嘢嘅時候咧，即係成個方向都唔同，就唔使驚係嘛？好啦，嗱，而家我哋11點半啦，我哋差唔多要離開啦，大家都七七八八，係咪好正咧？好多謝大家，我頭先咧佢哋一個個離開都唔記得咗 thank you 添。咁我哋喺翻個大家咧，如果未 join 天窗嗰個群組嘅話咧，如果以後你都想有呢啲 sharing 咧，咁你哋大家都 join 翻，咁你哋就可以睇到我哋呢啲咁精彩嘅分享。呢個係一個共修嘅分享嚇。OK，thank you 大家。